ಹಲೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಾಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 3 ಪೇಪರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ಅವರು ಏನೆಂದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ఏ ತರಹ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಏನೊಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಈ ತರಹ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೂರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ತರಹ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ಮೂರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಈ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅವರು ಏನಂದರೆ, ಈ ಮಾಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 3ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಟು ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಮ್ಮು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಏನನ್ನು ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಪವರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ 2 ಪವರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ. ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? 2 ಪವರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಹೌದಾ? ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ನೌ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 56. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ total number of subsets of second set. It means the first one is always bigger. It means second one is smaller, right? Equal to how much they give? 56. Okay, write down 2 power m. Okay, I am writing first set total number of subsets. 2 power m is smaller compared to second set number of subsets. 2 power a equal to 56. Now how to solve this one? What is the smallest subset here? Second one. So I am taking second one is ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Then inside will come. Okay, I will add one more step, 2 power m. Here 2 power a not there, so you should divide. Understood? If 2 power a ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Then 56, we can write 7 8 is 56. Here see students, if I send inside, then these two will be cancelled. Again we will get 2 power m. If I multiply one time, 2 power a, both are same. Then from this one, okay, that implies okay, 2 power a. If I am sent 2 power a upside, then 2 power m into 2 power minus a, minus 1 equal to 7 8 is 56. Then you know, right, if any two bases are equal, then power should be adding, right? Add those two. Then 2 power a times 2 power m minus a minus 1 equal to 7 8 is 56. Then what is your observation here? See, we know, right, suppose a is even number, then what is the a minus 1 is a odd number, right? Observe here, 2 power a is a even, so it is equal to 8 and it's a odd, right? Odd is equal to 7. Simple trick. Now I am equating, then 2 power a is equal to 8. So how to write 8 in terms of 2 power? It's a 2. Keep compare, then what is the answer? So bases are same here, then powers also are same, then a equal to 3, right? Next, they're also asking what is the values of m and a, right? So a value we got. Now second one compare, then write down. What is second one here? 2 to the power of m minus a minus 1 is equal to odd number 7. What is a value here? M minus, okay, m minus, it's a 3. Minus 1, if I am saying that side, 7 plus 1, 8 it will come, right? Then 2 power m minus 3 equal to 2. Keep. Then again 2 bases are equal, then power should be same. I mean, we can easy to equate, right? Then m minus, oh, it's a minus, right? M minus 3 equal to 3. From this one, what is the m equal to, if I am saying minus 3 that side, 3 plus 3, 6. So my answers are m and a are respectively 6 and 3. So which one is option? So it is option number C is the correct answer. Students, this is the way, students. Okay, next question. See, whenever this type of questions, it should be take first which one is ಏನು ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? Next one, iದೇನು greatest integer function, right? Whenever we are seeing in this type of symbol in our examination, what this one, it's a greatest. What is the next, another name? Step function. You know, right? How it is looks like step function. The graph is looks like steps. When it is will be continuous at a non-integral, when it is discontinuous at exactly integral points. It is a basic point, we no need to discuss here. Now here for simple calculation I am taking greatest integer x equal to let t, p, q, whatever you want. Tagoli, let greatest integer function equal to I am taking, okay, p I am taking, okay, then if you substitute here p, then what will happen in the given equation? P square minus 5p plus 6 equal to 0. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ಏನು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಫಟಾಫಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದು? ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. 1 6 6. ಸೊ -5 ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್, -2 -3 ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ -5. ಸೊ ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2p ಮೈನಸ್ 3p ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಏನೇನು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದೇ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. p-2 ಇದು p-3ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, ಪಿ ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? p-2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ -3 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, p-2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ರಾಂಗು. So it is one of the common factor. And what is another factor? This is one factor. From this one, what are the factors here? p-2 is one factor, another one p-3 is another factor, equal to 0. So when what is the possible value of here? P goes to 0. See, either p equal to, it is a negative, right? It's a positive, so it is a negative, it's a positive 3. So therefore p equal to possible values, p equal to 2 comma 3. Now, and we know that what the step function range here. Suppose if you have any one number, step function is less than or it's only lesser, right? Okay, I will explain what is this meaning. Suppose what is the meaning of, first of all ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 2.99 ಈ ತರಹ. ಇದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಟು ದ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಅಂದರೆ 2.9 ಡೌನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಟು ದ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರು. ಇದು ಡೌನ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು 2.9 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಇದು 2 ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು, ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನು ಇದು? ಸಪೋಸು ನಾನು 2 less than or equal to 2 less than or equal to 2.3 less than or less than, it's a less than only na, less ಇದು 2 plus 1 ಏನಿದು 3, ರೈಟ್? ಇದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊ, ಏದು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಇದು? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ n only, right? What is the greatest integer? It's a down value 2.32 only, right? Like this. So from this one we can conclude step function x equal to n, it will take always down value. It's again only, right? So this is the first property of step function. Now, so what are the p values here? Substitute and then tell me. For p equal to 2, okay, first for t, 2 I am writing 2 less than or equal to step function x less than, it's a 3, right? Then tell me how to write this one interval. This interval we can write our step function x is belongs to, it's a closed, right? It's a not strict, so closed 2 comma 3. For which one? For 2. Okay, coming to second one, it's a for 3 right now. So what is 3? If I am right, 3 less than or equal to step function x is less than only, not equal 4. Then our step function, it will take interval, how it is looks like. This side it is not strict, right? It's a strict, it won't be take 4, but it will take 3, right? Then it will take 3 comma open 4. So if I am combine both the solutions here, then what is the answer here? Step function x is belongs to, oh, it's a open, right? Sorry students, it's a open, right? It's a strict, right? Yeah, it's a strict 2 oh 2 comma 2 comma 3 union 3 comma 4. So from this one, what is the solution set? Tell me here. Anyone? Our x, it will take 2. It won't be take here, but it will take. So 2 to 4 we can say directly. Step function x is, that is nothing but a, from this one we can say that equal to 2 comma 4 open. So this is the solution set. Clear? So which one is correct? So it is option number 2, students. Clear? If any doubt, please post your comment in comment section. I will clear. See the next question. If any two circles arcs of same length subtended 30 degree and 78 degrees at the center, then ratio of their radii is, right? Okay, first take one circle. Okay, then and one more circle they are saying. Take one more circle. Oh, it's a very bigger, right? Okay, fine. Now take any one center point. Okay, one center point, it is a center of the circle, and take say radius. If I'm, it is also radius of a circle and this one. Now they are saying, okay, first you draw this one, then tell me. Then radii goes how much they're saying. Okay, here drawing part is it is necessary. Okay, let me moment. Same length they given, right? Here drawing section not required, right? Okay, no need to draw these diagrams. So first of all, what is the first same length? How to find length of the circle? Here we know, right? Arc length. We know that L equal to length of the arc equal to how much? Radius into angle, right? Here how many circles you have? For this one, is for one circle. Suppose if you have any two circles, they are saying same length, it means L1 equal to L2. they are saying for L1 is first circle, L2 is second circle. Write down according to question. L1 equal to L2. What is L1 here? R1 theta 1. And what is L2? R2 theta 2. So here they gave angles, right? Okay, from this one, R1 by R2 equal to theta 2 by theta 1. What is theta 2 by, from this one theta by 2 by theta 1 substitute and then solve for, it is R1 by R2. What is theta 2 value? Second circle angle, it is 38 degrees by 30 degrees, right? How many times it will be cut? R1 by R2 is equal to, so it is a fifth table or fourth table? Okay, wait a minute. It's a fifth. It's a 38 by 30. It is correct. 38. Oh, it's a 78, right? Okay, sorry students. Correct. It is 78, right? 78. Now it is easy to cancel. 78 means it's a sixth table, both. Yes. Then how many times? It is 13 times it will cut. It is 6 5 is 30. So what is the ratio of radii we got here? 13 by 5 is the correct answer. Where is 13 by 5? It's a option number B, students. Okay, next question. If triangle ABC is the right angle at C. Okay, take one right angle triangle first. Okay, then so where it is right angle triangle is A. So right angle means it is C. So let me take it is A and it is B, right? Where it is right angle, it means perpendicular 90 degree, right? Now they are asking tan A plus tan B, right? Okay, for tan A, let us take this length A, CB length, and this length B, and this length is C. Now observe students. Now from this diagram, if you want to find tan, right here, tan A, observe here first. If you want to find A for tan theta, what is tan here generally? Opposite by adjacent, right? For a, what is opposite? So this is opposite, right? For a, what is adjacent? This is adjacent. It means a by b, right? This one it will come a by b. Next, if you want to find b, so for b, what is opposite? B, it is opposite. What is the adjacent for this one? This is adjacent, right? It is hypotenuse, right? For both situations, for a it's hypotenuse, for b also it is hypotenuse. Now what is the tan a answer here? Opposite is a, right? Sorry, it is a by o, a by b. Okay, what about b? Tan b equal to, what is b opposite? Is b by, okay, substitute those values. Tan a plus tan b is equal to a by b plus b by a. Take cross multiplication like this, a square plus b square by ab, right? A square plus b square by ab. Here observe students, we know, right, in right angle triangle, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. It is which theorem? PT theorem. It means Pythagorean theorem, right? So what is side square? A square plus b square equal to how much? C square. We can say this one equal to c square. Okay, write down that value, c square by ab, by using Pythagoras theorem. Clear? Now c square by ab is the my answer. Which one is correct? C square ab. It means option number C. Next question. Okay, the real, it is complex numbers question. The real value of alpha, they're asking alpha for which one is purely real. See, observe students, if you have any one complex number z equal to a plus ab, if they're saying purely real, it means this part, right? It means no imaginary, it goes to 0. Clear? Instead of this one, if they're saying z equal to a plus ib, purely imaginary, it means this real part goes to 0. It is first observation. Okay, first write this expression into standard form, then purely real, imaginary part goes to 0, then you will get required value alpha. Okay, now given, what they given? 1 minus I sin alpha. Okay, let us take, this is a complex number z, okay, plus equal dividing by 1 plus 2i sin alpha. So immediately what we should do, it is in denominator never should be appear iota. So what we should do? Rationalization. Okay, rationalization, then 1 minus, rationalization completely different sign of denominator, 1 minus 2i sin alpha dividing by 1 minus 2 iota sin alpha, right? Then this one expand this numerator, 1 times this one, 1 times this one, then this one into this one, sorry, this one into this one, then this one to this one. Then it is looks like a plus ib into a minus ab. You know, right? A plus b into a minus b equal to, what is algebraic formula? A square minus b square. But keep in mind student, whenever iota involves na a plus ib into a minus, then we can say directly a square plus b square. Artha stories. Now from this one, what we can write here, 1 into 1 1. Next 1 into minus 2 sin alpha minus 2i sin alpha minus I 1 time iota sin alpha, minus times minus plus, but I square, I into I square, we will get again minus. So minus times sin alpha into, okay, here 2 also there, right? 2 sin square alpha. Understood students? Next, a plus b into a minus ib, a square plus b square, it means 1 plus, it is 2 square sin square, it means 4 sin square alpha. Clear students? Next, from this one compare, I mean you should separate both real and imaginary parts, then apply the given condition. So what is the real part? See here in this one, 1 minus 2 sin square alpha is the real part, plus, okay, minus iota is common, right? Okay, if I am take plus ik, if I take minus I want to take, okay, I will take plus iota, then what is inside remaining? 2 sin alpha plus, okay, here it is 3 sin alpha, right? We can use it to add, right? Okay, if I am take here, then how much I will get here? Minus 3 sin alpha is dividing by 1 plus 4 sin square alpha, right? Now observe students, they are saying here purely real, it means purely real, it is a purely real, right? If I am split this one, it's a real, right? It means this part nothing, this part how much imaginary part goes to, they are saying 0. Okay, take imaginary part goes to 0. So what is imaginary part? This one iota involves it, this one, this part we are going to equate 0 here. Then since z is purely real, oh, purely real, it means what will happen? Imaginary part of z is goes to 0. What is imaginary part here? Minus 3 sin alpha, it means iota part, okay, by 1 plus 4 sin square alpha equal to 0. See, observe here, 0 and anything 0, right? Only numerator part. Then that implies minus 3 sin alpha equal to 0. If I divide by minus 3 on both sides, then that side 0 by anything 0, sin alpha equal to 0. So when sin alpha goes to 0, only plus, it is n pi, right? What is the general source of sin here? When sin goes to 0, it's just pi's, right? Multiples of pi, right? It means alpha goes to n pi, where n belongs to always which number here? It's an integer or natural number? Natural number, right? Okay, so my answer is here alpha equal to n pi. That time only sin goes to 0. So which one is correct answer? It is option number C. Next question. The length of rectangle is 5 times the breadth. The minimum perimeter of the rectangle is 180 centimeter. Then, okay, now they're talking about length and breadth. Okay, first take on rectangle. Okay, from this one, what they gave here. So what is the length here? It's a length L of the rectangle, it's a breadth B, right? So according to the question, the length of the rectangle L is 5 times breadth, L equal to 5 is. What is the perimeter formula? We know, right? So what is the perimeter of the rectangle? P equal to 2 times length plus breadth. Yes or no? What is the area of the rectangle? A equal to length into breadth. It's the general formula. Now perimeter P equal to 2 times length plus breadth. Now substitute those values. 2 times L equal to 5b, 5b plus b, it means 6b plus, it means 12b, right? Okay, now if the minimum perimeter, they're saying minimum perimeter of the rectangle is 180. Minimum, it means that one, right? Minimum, they're saying, it means perimeter, it will take how much? Minimum 180. Now tell me from this one, how much, what is the minimum value? It is perimeter will take minimum 180, but maximum we don't know. Now we know already P value we have, right? Substitute that value. 12b is greater than or equal to 180. How many times it will cut P here? Sorry, it is 12, right? So how many times it will cut here? 12 1 12, 15 times it will cut. Then what will get here? So B is greater than equal to 15 centimeter. So breadth, this is the relation here, students. So which one is correct? B is greater than or equal to 15. Means option number B is the correct answer for this question. Clear? See the next question. Okay, see, whenever this type of question, so what stuff will observe? 45, 45. Here, see, if you using one of the formula, we get 46. Instead of this to 46. Again, this two adding. If you, here 46, you will get here 46. We can add like that. Okay, since, okay, I will write first formula. What is the formula here? NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. By using this relation, we will find out. Okay, for first, I am going to find first these two students. Observe N CR. Okay, CR plus NCR minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. So what is the answer? N plus 1 CR. It means 46 CR value 4. We will get this much. Like that. Okay, then 49 C3 plus 48 C3 plus 47 C3 plus 46 C3. Okay, if I add here these two, what will get it? N plus 1. It means 45 plus 1, 46 C. What is R here? 3 and 4, 4. Again these two add. Okay, again same formula. That equals to this equal 49 C3 plus 48 C3 plus 47 C3. If I add this to 46 plus 1, 47, what is our value? 4, 47 C4. Again we should add these two, same logic. Then 49 C3 plus 48 C3 plus 47 plus 1, 48 C4. Again see, this one it will come right. Again this one apply here. That equal to 49 C3 plus 48 plus 1, 49 C4. Again apply one more time this, then you will get required answer. Now what is R value? This is R minus 1. By using which one we are using here? By using this trick here. Clear? Yeah. Oh, let me move it. Okay, now fine. That equal to 49 plus 1, 50. What is the C? R value goes to 4. So 50 C4 is the correct answer. This is the way, students, you should be just remember this formula and write down easily to your answer. So 50 C4. So my answer is option A is the correct option for this given question. Next one. Okay, now here in this question, first observe the question. In the expansion of, it's a binomial expansion, right? So this sum equal to how much this sum? First observe, students, it is looks like NCR by NCR minus 1. Observe here, R equal to suppose 1. R is R minus 1. 1 minus 1, it is R equal to 1. 1 minus 1, 0, right? Here 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Like that. Then what is the formula of this one? N minus R plus 1 by R. By using this formula, we can use it to find out this expansion. Okay, first, what is this formula? I will write side of this one. NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to N minus R plus 1 by R. By using this one, we will use it to calculate this answer. Okay, first one, then start here. If I am use this one, then what is my answer? N. Okay, first N minus, what is our value here? 1. So N minus 1 plus 1 by R value how much? 1, right? Then what is my answer here? Minus 1 plus 1 equals N by 1 equal to N. Next one, it means they gave here nothing is there, 1. I am assuming here 1. So 1 time this one. Next for second one, comma. So 2 times. If I am apply for this one same formula, this one here, then tell me. So what is our value here? 2. Then N minus 2 plus 1 by 2. So minus 2 plus 1 how much, students? N minus 1 by 2. Here 2 will be cancelled. So how much we will get here? N minus 1, right? Next 3 times N minus 3 plus 1 by 3. Again 3 will be cancelled. How much I will get? N minus 2. Understood? Okay. If I am go by this manner, okay, tell me last one from this one. Last one is how many terms here? It is n terms are there, right? So n it will come outside, then n minus r, r value n minus 1. So minus of minus plus 1 will come here. It will come by 1 by how? What is this answer? Oh, it is r also n only, right? R also n also n. So this one, let me give me a moment. N minus r, r is n plus 1 by r. What is r value? N. So this both will be cancelled, this both will cancel, we will get 1. Okay, add this all those things here. Then what is here expansion looks like? Here first one n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus and so on. What is this? If it is 1, then what is the previous term? 2, 3, like that, right? Then it will come plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So you know, right, it's a simple expansion. Sum of first n natural number, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on n. What is the sum of n natural number formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. It's a very basic formula, right? So how much I will get answer? N into n plus 1 by 2. So sometimes keep in mind students, instead of 2 factorial, what is the 2 factorial answer? Also 2, both are same. Suppose if they say 2 factorial, that one also correct. Clear? So option number A is the correct answer, students. Now next question, it's a sequence series question. Okay, if Sn is the sum of n terms, okay, it's a GP with A is the first term and R is the common ratio, we know very well. Then Sn by S2n. Okay, first write down what is the Sn formula in GP, right? It's a finite series, they're saying here, they're talking about finite. Yes, okay, it's a finite, they're also saying, right? Okay, first write then Sn formula. How many formulas you have? Sn, okay, I will write side here. Sn, oh, Sn equal to A times R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. When it is possible, R is greater than 1, right? Next, if your R is less than 1, then what is the answer? 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R, when R is less than 1. If it is becomes 1, then we will get n times A when if R equal to 1. For which one? It's a finite sums. Suppose finite GP. Suppose if it is infinite, then tell me what is the S infinity formula? It is also important, you should know. A by 1 minus R. What is the A here? First term in the series. When your R should be always less than 1. Clear? Then we will get here observation, then we will get here finite number. Suppose okay, for convergence, okay, I'm here, I'm going to say if it is R less than 1, we will get convergence. Suppose if R is either equal or 1, then we will get divergence. It means infinite value, it's a finite value. Clear? So that is only 2 finite, it is one finite sum answer, it is one of the infinite sums. Okay, this answer is for infinite, for this one finite Sn. Now given question, it is a sum of n terms, it means finite. Okay, from this one, what is Sn by Sn to n? Write directly Sn by S2n. What is Sn formula from this one? First, it is always greater than 1, right? Finite, it means A times, what is R value? R only, I mean number of terms n, right? R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 dividing by, now how many terms here? Sn, see, first terms n, how many terms here? 2n. So then again here up, compare just here, how many terms n is number of terms n, here how many terms n? 2n. Now A times R power n, how many terms? 2n minus 1 by R minus 1. So here A will be cancelled, R minus 1 will be cancelled, then remaining R power n minus R power n minus 1 by, see here R power 2n, we can write R power n whole square minus 1. 1 has 1 square, right? No problem, right? Now it is looks like which one? A square minus B square. Then R power n plus 1 into R power n minus 1. This one will be cancelled, then we will get only 1 by R power n plus 1. Right? From this one, R power n minus 1 by R power n plus 1 into R power n minus 1. This one will be cancelled. Then what is the remaining answer? 1 by R to the power of n plus 1, students. Right? Oh. Now fine. So which one is the correct option here? So it is option number B. So this is the way. For it is for you are using here finite GP. If they are asking infinite GP, then you should use this formula. Clear? Next, if AM and GM, what is the meaning of AM here? AM means arithmetic mean. Okay, arithmetic mean. What is the meaning of geometric mean here? Sir, GM means geometric mean. For quadratic equation, we know, right? For every quadratic equation, how many roots they are saying? See, they are saying AM. What is the meaning of AM formula? Suppose let us take, let A and B the roots of this quadratic equation. I am taking let A and B be the roots of the quadratic equation. Then what is the AM formula for this, for these two roots? It's a average a plus b by 2, right? What is the AM? How much they are saying? M, they are saying the M value is 5 and GM value is 4. Okay, as well as what is GM for these two roots? GM equal to, it's under root of those product of roots, right? Root AB. Okay, substitute those values, then tell me. Okay, AM they gave 5. 5 equal to a plus b by 2. From this one, what is the a plus b value? A plus b equal to 10, right? Next, if you substitute here, then GM value how much they give? 4 equal to under root AB. If I am take squaring on both sides, then how much we will get? AB equal to 4 square 16. Clear? And also students, we know, right? We know that if you have any two roots for quadratic equation, then how it is looks like normal form. It is looks like in the form of x square minus a plus b. It means sum of two roots into x plus product of two roots. It's a general form. Substitute those values and write down the required answer. It means x square minus a plus b answer, 10x plus ab answer, it's a 16 equal to, is 0 is the required quadratic equation for the given question. So which one is correct? X square minus 10x plus 16. So it is option number 4. So next question. The angle between two lines. Okay, sorry, it is one line, right? Okay, on the line joining points. Okay, here how many? They gave only one line and they gave 2 points. You know, right, how to find? Okay, first write down this given equation into standard form. Y is equal to minus x plus 3. Then compare with this one as y is equal to mx plus a. Then what is the m here? Slope. Then what is the slope here? Minus 1. So from this one, m1 equal to how much? Minus 1. And also students, if you have any 2 points, how to find? Let us take x1 y1, this points, x1 y1, it is x2 y2. Then what is the slope formula for these two? M equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus m1. It is a slope. It's m1 already we have. It is a m2, right? Slope m2. Then m2 equal to y2 minus y1. It means 4 minus 1 by x2 minus 3 minus 1. It means 3 by minus 4. It means minus 3 by 4. Now substitute. What is the angle between two slope formula? Very easy. Tan theta. Okay, first I will write the angle between two slopes. Formula is, what is formula? Tan theta equal to, either see here m1 minus m2 or m2 minus m1, both are same students. Don't be confused. Clear? Equal, substitute those values m1 and m2 equal to here minus y. We see, suppose here instead of this one, if anyone say m2 minus m1 m2, if I am take minus outside, then we will get again this expressions. See, determinant of minus, I mean modulus of minus 1, we will get again positive, right? It's not a problem. Then m2 value, it is minus of minus 3 by 4. So minus of minus plus 3 by 4, 1 plus m1. So minus 1 into minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4, right? Okay, take LCM, then write down. So minus 1 into 4, minus 4 plus 3, minus 1. So numerator will come minus 1 by 4 dividing by 4 plus 3, 7 by 4, right? Then 4 will be cancelled. How much will get? So it is minus 1 by 7, minus 1 by 7, modulus is equal to 1 by 7. So finally how much I got angle here? Tan theta equal to 1 by 7. From this one, what is the angle here? Theta. Theta equal to tan inverse of 1 by 7 is the correct answer. Yes. So where it is option? So tan inverse of 1 by 7, option number C. Don't confuse students here. See, they gave for, for confusion also minus 1 by 7. Here modulus is there. If you get negative value, but you will get positive. So only that thing only should be keep in mind. Clear, students? Okay. Now see the next question. Now it is the conic section question, right? Okay, they are talking about which conic here? Parabola. So when we call this conic is parabola, if eccentricity equal to 1, then conic name is called parabola. If equal to 0, circle. If he is less than 1, ellipse. If he is greater than 1, hyperbola, right? If he equal to infinite, what is the E here? Eccentricity, then pair of straight lines. What is this one? This point is also important. Now, first this one, it is they given 6 comma 0, it means a comma 0. When it will be possible? It's a rightward parabola. Okay, first I am taking drawing diagram. Okay, it's a rightward parabola. Oh, let me give me a moment. Yeah, but this one not touched, right? Now fine, right? First observe, it is which type of parabola? It's a rightward parabola. It's a, and which type? How many total parabolas? There are 4. Y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4. It's a rightward. First one rightward, second one leftward, third one x square equal to 4ay and x square equal to minus 4. Third one is upward parabola, fourth one is downward parabola, right? And where it will be directric equation, then this is the directric equation of the parabola, right? And this point is called foci. What is the foci? Is it to define? Yes, of a comma 0. It means what is a here? 6 comma 0. They want to give. And this directric equation called, it is which line? X. X equal to minus a. It's a negative, right? It means minus 6. Now tell me, compare with this one. It is first type parabola, right? Y square is equal to 4ax. This point compare with a comma 0. How much you will get here? A 6x. It means 24x. Y square equal to 24x is the right answer. It's a very easy question, right? Next, so which one is correct? It's the first option. Next, it's a limit question. First, whenever limit question, first apply the limit in the given. So x goes to pi by 4, cos pi by 4 1 by root 2. So here root 2 both will be cancelled, 1 minus 1. So numerator clearly goes to 0. Okay, denominator cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4, how much, students? It is 1, right? 1 minus 1, 0. Clearly which form? 0 by 0. Whenever we are getting limit applying 0 by 0, which rule? L'Hospital rule, right? What is the L'Hospital rule? It means L individually derivative of both numerator and denominator. That's all. Okay, do derivative, then write. So clearly which form we got? 0 by 0, then L'Hospital rule we are using. L'Hospital rule. It means f dash by g dash. Okay, then limit x approaches to pi by 4, root 2 is constant. I would say derivative of cos x minus sin x, derivative of constant 0, dividing by derivative of cot x minus cosecant square x, derivative of constant 0, right? Then apply the limit and then tell me answer. Plus into minus root 2 sin pi by 4. What is sin pi by 4? 1 by root 2, right? Dividing by minus cosecant pi by 4, it is volta, right? So root 2 whole square. Then root 2 will be cancelled. Numerator minus 1 and square root will be cancelled. 2 minus minus. Okay, here minus answer will be cancelled, right? So then 1 by 2 is the my required answer, students. Oh my god. So 1 by 2, right? So which one is correct? Option number C. Next, the area of the circle. What is the area of the circle? It's a very basic, it's a board question. What is the area of the circle? Pi a square. But pi a square or r square? R is the radius of the circle. But they gave radius. So they gave center and point. Okay. So whenever this type of questions, how to solve? Okay, first simple understanding. I will give the diagram. Take one circle. Okay. First, this circle, what is center they gave? 1 comma 2 as passing through 4 comma. Okay. So this is the center of the circle. This is radius of the circle. What is center here? 1 comma 2 they give. Center. Oh. 1 comma 2. This circle is passing through which one? 4 comma 6, right? Now first of all we should find out the distance. It means radius, right? If you find out radius, how to find distance between 2 points? You say 2 points, it means d equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus whole square. That's all. Okay, find out that one by using that formula. Distance, it means distance is nothing but which one here? Radius, right? R. Okay, then okay, let me a moment. Yes, then r equal to under root of, tell me, 4 minus 1 whole square plus, okay, 1 more, now fine, plus 6, then 6 minus 2 whole square, right? What is 4 minus 1 whole square? 3 square plus it's a 4 square. What is 3 square plus 4 square? 9 plus 16. It is nothing but a root 25. What is a root 25? It's a 5 square. It's a square root will be cancelled. Then radius equal to how much we got? 5. Come to the what's your question now? What they are asking? Area of the circle. What is the area of the circle here? It's a pi r square, right? What is the r value here? R value is 5 square. So it means 25 pi square units. What is the area of the units here? Square units. So which one is correct answer? So it is option number C is the correct answer. Clear, students? Next question. Next, this question, it is statistics question, right? That talking about standard deviation, and also it is very easiest question. They given one of the data and they are adding one constant number k, right? See, whenever the number adding same number, we know, right, how much standard deviation will get. Again same, it won't be different. Will easier to say answer is yes. How you should be know this one? Either adding or subtracting a constant k for every observation. See, either adding or subtracting some k or whatever, not a k values, k to every observation in data set changes mean. It will change the mean, but it does not the spread. Understand what the meaning of spread here? It means either variance or standard deviation. Understood? Then the resultant, how much it will get again? Standard deviation. It means yes only. Clear, students? Okay, we can say option 4. Okay, how to we write that one is very important, right? Okay, I will write both the points here. So what is this points here? Adding or subtracting k to every observation in a data set changes the which one? Mean it will be changed, but does not change the which one? It will that spread. What is the meaning of spread here? It means either variance or standard deviation. Clear, students? Okay, then what is the resultant here? Standard deviation is the resultant. Okay, so this is okay, but how to write into like statistical part? This one also you will get out, right? Okay, I will try to give that full solution also within. Let me give me time. I will do now only. Okay, first of all, observe the students. What is the mean here? So what is the first? If you want to find mean, this is observations, right? Now tell me what is the mean here? This is summation. What is the mean formula? X bar equal to summation xi by n. It means number of observations, the sum of all observations. It's a mean formula, right? Okay, by using this one, I am writing summation xi. It means what is summation xi? A plus b plus c plus d plus e, right? By 5, right? Okay, by 5 equal to how much? It's a mean, right? Okay, small m. I will write small m. From this one, what is summation xi? You know, right? What is summation of xi? It's the sum of all observations. It means this all observations adding equal to how much I will get? Summation xi equal to, where I equal to 1 to 5. 5 times m, right? So now according to the question, what is the new mean here? Okay, new mean. New mean, I'm writing here. What is the new mean here? We are adding a plus, I mean this one. What is the new mean here? This one. If I am add this one, what you will get? I will write k. How many times here? K 1 2 3 4 4 times, right? Okay, not 5 times. Oh, is there any mystery here? Okay, let me give a moment. Here add the students, comma e plus k. Here why? Because of here how many sums they give? Here they give 4. Sorry students, the number of observations they gave 4 only, right? Why here wrote 5? Let me give a moment. I will clear this one. Say 4, right? By 4, then it will become 4 times m. Okay, then this one add all new main here, then it will goes to a plus b plus c plus d plus how many times k? 4k dividing by number of observations. How many there are? 4. Clear? From this one answer we know, right? Now only we got what is a summation, right? What is summation answer? 4m. Okay, if I am right, this one as 4m plus 4k by 4. Here 4 is cancelled. Then how much we got answer? M plus k. For which one? New mean. For second adding data, right? M plus k. Then how to find the standard deviation for new mean? You know, right? It's a simple formula. What is simplest formula? General formula. Standard deviation equal to under root of summation xi square by n minus summation x bar whole square. It's a standard formula. For which one? General mean. Now they're asking for this one, right? Okay, write down that formula and they tell me answer. Okay, I will add here. SD is equal to, SD means standard deviation. Summation, what is the new mean here? It's under root, right? Sorry, it's under root. Oh, I will add SD is equal to, so sorry, SD equal to under root of summation xi plus k, okay, xi plus k whole square by n minus summation x bar. What is x bar formula? Xi plus k dividing by n whole square, right? Understood? It's a xi whole square by n minus x bar whole square formula, general formula, students. Then what we'll get here? See, this much of calculation no need even examination. For you should know, right? How to will get? It's a learning process. Then under root of summation, then expand first one. It is looks like a plus b whole square, right? Then what? Then it is a square form, right? Then my expansion, and also students, you see, just you see this one. What is this answer? We have already xi plus k, right? What is this answer? Tell me. It's a m plus k, right? Now only we got, yes or no? It's a new mean, right? Xi plus k, m plus k, we can need you to write that one. Then tell me, summation xi square plus k square plus 2xi times k dividing by n minus this one answer. What is this answer? This one new mean, right? It means this one only. How much we got answer? M plus k. We can write that one as m plus k whole square. Understood? Then separate those things and write it. I want some more space. Okay, I will write some little small writing here. Okay, summation xi square dividing by n is there. I am separating all those things. Summation k square by n plus 2k times summation xi by n. Clear? Minus, this is for all, right? Minus, okay, if I am expand a square b square, minus is outside. Observe here, minus is applicable for all term. So minus I'm multiplying directly minus 2mk. Clear? Then what we'll get here? Under root of summation xi square by n minus, and also students here it is a k square, right? K square, right? How many times we are adding here k square? I mean this one, this summation here, how many times? N times. So then that one we times n times k square, we will expand dividing by n. This n will be cancelled. Plus 2k times, what is summation xi by n? We got answer. Observe here, it is nothing but this one, right? What is summation? This one. Yeah, summation xi by n value how much? M, right? Substitute that one as here, then we will get 2k summation xi by m value m, right? Minus, continue further, how much? M square, okay, minus m square minus k square minus 2mk, right? So from this one, what is any calculation here? Minus k square plus k square will be cancelled. It's a plus, right? Oh, it's a plus. Yeah, then plus 2km minus 2km will be cancelled. Then what is the remaining things here? Under root of summation xi square by n minus m square. What is m value? M is it is a summation xi by n, right? Now only we discussed. It means under root of summation xi bar by xi square by n minus, okay, space not there, right? Summation x bar by, say summation x bar, right, whole square. What is this formula? It is nothing but a standard deviation, right? So again, how much we are getting? Expand this one, we are getting standard deviation. Clear students? In your examination you can use it to pick this answer within 5 to 3 seconds, but you should know the reason. So what is my correct answer here? Option number 4. Okay, now next question. Oh, this question already we did, right? F of x equal to tan x, then f inverse of 1 equal to, right? Okay, let us take here, we know, right? Let y is equal to tan x. It's a general, right? And also they are talking, then if I want to find inverse, right, then f inverse of y equal to, then f of x, right? Okay, I will write neatly one more time. First tell me what is the general. Let y equal to f of x, right? If I am take f inverse on both sides, f inverse of y equal to x, it will come, right? Then instead of y they gave how much here? X. It is correct or not? Okay, let me give a, yeah, then okay, first substitute this values. Y equal to f of x, answer tan x. If I am take f inverse of y equal to, how much we will get here? F inverse of y, it's a tan inverse of tan x. Instead of x here, observe 1 they give. I will use it to substitute here. Instead of that one, 1. Then 1 when you will get here? Simply tan pi by 4, right? Oh, it's a tan inverse of 1 only, right? Tan inverse of 1. So 1 when you will get here? Tan pi by 4. Both will be cancelled. Then our answer pi by 4. It is a full solution, students? No, it's not a full solution. When you will get pi by 4 is the for this one. What about tan x? What is if f of x equal to 0? If f of x equal to 0, then tan x equal to 0, right? Oh, if tan x, then tan x equal to 0. When tan x goes to 0, x equal to n pi, where n is always integer. So what is my full solution? Therefore x equal to n pi plus alpha. What is alpha is there? Our pi by 4, when our n belongs to z. And also keep in mind students, this question we did in last mock test 2 only. Clear? Okay, so option number B is the correct option. Clear? Next one. Okay, f of x equal to this one and that one, then what is the correct answer, right? Here, and also students, you should be keep in mind here the tangent function is a periodic with which one pi, right? Generally it's a, so that's why it is general solution of given question. Clear? Suppose if they are asking just principal solution, it is a principal. What is the principal solution? Only pi by 4. What about full solution, general solution, complete set? It is option. Clear? Suppose if this option not there anymore, this which one is correct? A. Understood? If this one is there, you should be pick always option B. So next one, if f of x equal to prime is, okay, how much f of x they gave? One time 17, one time minus 3. Okay, write down first one time. They're saying x square plus 1 is equal to 17 1. From this one, x square equal to, if I am saying 1, that's a 17 minus 1 16. Then what is the possible values of x equal to? Plus minus 4, right? Next, what is the premise here? Minus 3. For which one? X square plus 1 equal to minus 3. If I am saying plus 1, that's here minus 4, it will come. If I am remove this one, plus minus under root of minus 2, it will come, right? It means 2 times iota, right? You tell me it is a which number? It's a complex number, but they're saying here where to where, real number to real, it is not a real, right? So it won't be get any value, right? Understood here? So what is the possible values here? Only plus 4 minus 4, and here nothing. It means your x will take in real number how many? Sorry students, how many it will take here? Nothing. It means empty. Now tell me what is the full solution here? Therefore then our we will define x is belongs to minus 4 comma pi is the answer. So option number C is the correct answer. Next, f circle g of, okay, what is the first g circle f of x? It means g of f of x equal to the saying sin x. And what is f circle g of x? F of g of x. It means composition of x functions, just multiply of this function. Now which one is correct, which one is wrong? Clear? Now I am going to check one by one option. Now first suppose, okay, I am first going to check here g circle f of x. It will be satisfied or not? Just I am checking it. Okay. Okay, write down here. What is g circle f of x here? For this option, g of sin square x. What is g of x here? It's x. They're saying g of x is x, right? According to option, we will get sin square x. But how much they gave in this one? The sin x. It is equal to sin x. Not possible, right? It means is not equal to sin x. Not possible. Next, second one, check g circle f of x. G of f of x means sin root x. Okay, g of x root x. It means under root sin root x. Again, tell me where we are getting sin x. Not possible. Next, g circle f of x. G of f of x. It means sin square x. What is g of x? Root x. If I apply root, square root will be cancelled. How much will get? Sin x. Yes, it is equal to sin x. So which one is possible? Third one. Okay, we will check second last one also. G circle f of x. It means f of x sin root x. If I apply g of x, it looks like g of x, right? What is g of x here? X square. It means sin square of x, right? How much you will get? Sin square of, sorry, root x, right? Whole square. Again, see, this is not equal to which one? Sin x. So which one is only possible, students? Option C only is the correct answer. Next one. Now see this question, what they gave here. They gave one of the set, it contains 18 elements except one. Let R be the relation order pairs. Okay, positive A, B is related to C. If and only if AD equal to BC, then it's a Cartesian product they define. Then total number of order pairs equivalence class of 3 2. It means what is the equivalence class of 3 2? It means this related how many elements pairs will be possible. Okay, Now first we want to find here what is the answer. Equivalence class of 3 comma 2. What is the symbol name? Equivalence. How many are there possible with related to 3 comma 2 is the question. First I am taking 3 comma 2 related either b, ab or ct, your choice. I am replacing instead of cd as taking 3 comma 2. Then a comma b is related to 3 comma 2. According to the definition, what it will be happen? Tell me. A d, it means a into d is equal to 3. B into c, what is c value? 3, right? Then what is the conclusion here? From this one, b equal to 2a by, we can say 3 is the condition, right? From this one. Now what is your observation? If you want to define b values here, you should be give a values is multiple of 3. That time only you can cancel. Why? I will tell you why. Because of now here in this question they particularly mention this all sets. Which type of sets? Okay, which type of sets? Positive integers. If it is not a multiple of 3, it won't be cancelled. It means you will get either rational. How is it possible? Positive integer, how is it possible? So your a is multiple of 3. So it means first 3, 6, 9, and next 12. It like only it will be cancelled. Clear? Then find out b value. That's all. You will get equivalence class of 3 2. Understood? Now first one. Okay, I will write here. Here a must be multiples of 3, since why? Because of positive integers, otherwise not possible. Okay, for let a equal to first multiple of 3 3. Then what is the b value? 2 3 is 6, so 2 into 3, right? 3 3 will cancel, b equal to 2. Then what is the pair here? First one we got 2, it's a 3 comma 2, right? Sorry, first pair we got 3 comma 2. Okay, itself, right? 3 comma 2. Next, if a equal to 6, then b equal to, okay, if I am substitute 6 here, 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 2 2 ja 4. Oh, it is a 4, right? Then what is the pair here? 6 comma 4. If I am substitute a equal to multiple next is 9, then b equal to, then tell me 3 3 ja, then 3 2 ja 6, oh, is 9, right? 3 3 ja 9. Then how many times it will cut here? If it is 9, 3 1 ja 3 ja, then b goes to 6, right? Then b equal to 6. Then what is the pair? 9 comma 6. As well as if a equal to, up to how many chances is there? Up to 18. Okay, a equal to 12, oh, 12 one chance, a equal to 15 one chance, a equal to 18 is one chance. That's it, because of remaining is outside the set. B equal to, then if I am set up with 4, so 4 to ja 8 it will come. Then 15, right? 15 it's a 5 5 to ja 10, b equal to 10. Then if I am substitute 18, so 6 6 to ja 12, so 12 it will come. So what is the pair here? 12 comma 8, 15 comma 10, 18 comma 12. This many chances are. So total how many order pairs are there? It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 is related to 3 2. This is answer 6. So which one is correct answer? Option 3 is the correct answer, students. 6. Okay, see the next question. It is ITF related, right? Okay, first observe here, this value equal to this value plus this value equal to how much time? They are saying 3 pi. See, first observation, suppose if it is pi, this is pi plus pi plus plus pi 3 pi. Clear? That is first observation. I am taking here, that time only it is equal to 3 pi, right? Cos inverse, let cos inverse of x equal to pi. If I am take cos on both sides, then cos inverse will cancel. X equal to how much I will get? Oh, it's a cos pi I will get, right? Cos pi. What is cos pi value? It's a minus 1. So what is x value you are getting? Minus 1. Similarly, cos inverse of y equal to pi. Then y equal to cos pi. Cos pi how much? again minus 1, right? And let cos inverse of z equal to pi. From this one we will get, what's a z, right? Z equal to cos in that side, cos pi. What is cos pi answer? It's a cos 180. Then z goes to cos 180 degrees is minus 1. Now what we need to find? X times this one, right? We need to find this value. Okay, substitute here. X times y plus z plus y times z plus x plus z times x plus y equal to, what is x value? Minus 1, 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 oh, minus 1, minus 1. Then minus 1 into minus 2, minus 1 into minus 2, minus 1 into minus 2. How many times it is minus 1 into minus 3? 3 times. Minus into minus plus 1 to the 2. It means how much you will get answer? 3 to the 6. Understood, students? So my answer is goes to option C. 6 is the correct answer. This is the way for ITF question. Next, this is also very easiest question, but little bit one of the identity we should is. Okay, what is this identity? We know, right? Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, but sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to how much? It's a pi by 2. By using this one, first one define. Then here makes a students, it's a little bit mistake is there. It's a, they gave 4x, right? It's a 4 only. Okay, kindly correct this one. Now 2 sin inverse x. From this one I want cos inverse x. If I want cos inverse, this one send this one. So then how much I will get? Minus cos inverse x pi by 2 minus sin inverse x, right? My answer equal to how much? This is 4. Then observe here, 2 sin inverse x minus 3 pi by 2 plus 3 sin inverse x equal to 4. So here how much? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 sin inverse x equal to 4 plus, if I am saying minus, that's a plus 3 pi by 2. Then we need how much value find here? 5 sin. Okay, first send 5 that side. Sin inverse x equal to, if I am take LCM, 8 plus 3 pi by 2. 2 is there. If I am 2, 5 divided that side, 10 it will come, right? Understood? As well as here, okay, I will do that one as last one. This one is formula, right? Next, by using same this logic, figure out in this same logic this one only. Now I am going to change sin inverse. Okay, 2 times sin inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus cos inverse x minus 3 cos inverse x equal to 4. Here 2 multiply, then 2 will be cancelled. Pi, pi minus 2 cos inverse x minus 3 cos inverse x equal to 4, right? Then how much you will get? Okay, minus 2 minus 3 we will get minus pi. This one move to the side, plus it will come for this side. Then 5 cos inverse x equal to pi minus 4, right? But we need cos inverse x only. Cos inverse x equal to pi minus 4 by 5. Now substitute those values whatever the required here. So what is the required here, right? Okay, I will substitute those values here. 2 times that equal to 2 times, what is the sin inverse x answer? 8 plus 3 pi by 10 plus 3 times cos inverse x answer pi minus 4 by 5. Then how many times it will cancel? 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. Then what is the remaining here? Take LCM also 5, right? Then 8 plus 3 pi plus 3 pi minus 12, right? Then how much you will get answer here, student? If you have 3 pi plus 3 pi, 6 pi and 8 minus 12 minus 4 dividing by 5, right? So this is the my final answer. So possible 6 pi minus 4, 6 pi minus 4 by 5. Yeah, it is option number B is the correct answer. Now matrix question. So up to this much, like little bit few formulas you should remember. Now it is very easiest concepts mathematics only. Okay. And also students, see up to here how much time it is taking, more than 1 hour. See if you few students, if you are scaring, so for 20 questions is taking 1 hour explanation. It means, see, I am writing each and every step, right, for understanding. See, as a students, you can use it to skip all the basic calculations, you can use it to write direct calculations, right? For explanation part I am taking time. Okay. Now matrices questions. See, this is very easiest chapters in your Kcet examination or whatever the competitive examination. Now first one, what they given here, a ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, a square matrix. Okay, a square equal to a, they are giving a plus, a plus b expansion, how much it is, looks like a plus b whole cube. Okay, expand that one, then you will get what is the required answer. I plus a whole cube. What is it? Is looks like a plus b whole cube. What is expansion? A cube. It means a cube plus 3a square by 3 instead of a square, I square b. What is b here? A plus 3a square b, 3 a square b over 3a b square. What is b square here? A square plus b cube. What is b here? It's a, right? A cube. Can I write here formula? Okay. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Understood? Yeah. Now, what is I cube answer? It's a I only, right? 3i square. I square is nothing but I. A plus 3i. A square answer they only gave here how much? S. So if I am a square as a and a cube, we can write a square into a. Then I into anything, right? So plus 3a, 3i into anything, a will come. A square value here, observe, a square value a into a, again a, again we will a square value a into a, again a square. What is a square value? Again a. Final answer a, we can use it, right? Understood? Then I plus, how many times? Yes, 3a plus a, 7 times a. So what is this answer? I plus 7a is the correct answer. So option, both are same, I plus 7a or 7a plus a, it's not a matter. Okay, next question, it's a product, they are asking up to power 10. First find out a power a square, then you will get the general form. A square, what is the a square value? 1 2 times multiply, then how much you will get? How to do matrix multiplication, you know, right? 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. When matrix multiplication possible, you know, if when matrix multiplication possible, the number of columns of first matrix equal to the number of rows of the second matrix, right? Yes, possible. Otherwise it is not possible to do matrix multiplication. First basic condition. Then how to do matrix? First row first column, first row second column, next second row first column, second row second column, total 4 entries we will get, right? Now, so now 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, so 2 again 2 again 2 again 2, right? It's a square. What is our observation? We can take 2 outside, then 1 1 1. Yes or no? So what is your observation? We got 2 is outside for 2. Okay, if I am to one more for better understanding, students. Okay, for a cube, what is a cube? A square into a. What is a square here? 2 times it is O. Can I write 1 1 1 1, right? Okay, if I am do this one, how much you will get? Okay, instead of this one, better to write simplest form of a square. What is a square? We got 2 times 1 1 1 1. Oh, why this line? Let me give me a moment. Yeah, gone. 1 1 1 1, right? If I am expand again that one, 2 2 2 2, we will get again this one. We will take 2 square 1 1 1 1. So what is your observation? For 2 cube we got again 1. So can I write standard form here? From this one we can say a power n equal to 2 to the power of one value is decreasing. It means n minus 1 into a, right? So this is the normal form. Now from this one, how much value we want? Here we need a power 10. It means 2 power 10 minus 1. It means 9 into a. This is the final answer, student. Clear? So 2 power 9 times a. Which option? It is option number B. Next question. Okay, f of 1, f of 3, f of 5. Okay, first just see the observation here. If I am substitute 1, it is any goes to 1 minus 3, not 0, not 0, not 0. Okay, go by 3. 3 minus 3, 0. This is 3 square, 9 to 18, 18 minus 18, 0. So 3 keep 27. 27 3 is 81. Yes. See, the first row consists all zeros, right? So you know, right? If determine any row or any column is contains all zeros, then determinant expansion goes to how much? 0. Clear? Now tell me 0 into anything. 0, right? This one goes to 0. Now coming to this is goes to 0. Now which one? 1 not equal to 0. We already identified, right? We getting 0? No. So f of 5 check. So first of all it is over. Next 5 minus 5, 0. So 5 square, 25 2 50, 0. 5 keep 125 into 4, 500. Yes. Again for f of 5 also we are getting 0. Now tell me what is the answers here. Here we are getting f of 3 equal to 0, f of 5 equal to 0. Then f of 1 into 0 into 0 plus 0 into f of 1. 0 into anything. 0 plus 0. So then what is the determinant expansion? Fully 0. This is the my answer. Clear? So why this line is coming here? Let me give me a moment. I will check. See the next question. Okay, they gave one of the matrix. This matrix they are saying it is adjoint of which one? Matrix A. Then determinant they gave what is the value of alpha. Okay, write down according to the question. P they are saying P is the which one? Adjoint of the matrix which one? A. They gave determinant, right? Okay, take data on both sides. Okay, if I am take determinant on both sides, determinant of P equal to determinant of adjoint A, right? What is the determinant of P? Find out by using this equation. How to expand by determinant from this one plus minus alpha, then this one, then this one has this one, like that. Start first start 1 times 3 4 12 minus 12, right? It is simply 0. Next minus alpha times 4 minus 6. Understood? I hope you know how to do this one. Plus 3 times. If you don't know, please drop a comment. Write a comment. I will do next. For if you are facing difficulty, I will write every step next time. Plus 3 times 4 minus 6 equal to how much we have? Determinant of adjoint. What is the determinant of adjoint? We have, it's a basic formula. What is the determinant of adjoint? Det power n minus 1. Okay, I am writing directly det power n minus 1. What is the n here? It is the order of the matrix 3. Okay, then that implies 0 minus 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 4 minus 6 minus 2 equal to det. What is det they give? 4. What is the n value? 3 minus 1. Then minus into minus plus 2 alpha minus 6 equal to 4. 3 minus 1, 2, 4 square, 16. Then 2 alpha minus 6, that's it. Then 22. Then 2 1 ja 2, 11 ja. Alpha equal to how much we are getting? Alpha equal to 11 is the correct answer. Clear? Just write the given data into standard form. Alpha equal to 11 is the correct answer. They are only saying this matrix is the adjoint of the matrix, so P is the adjoint of A. Then take determinant on both sides, then you will get alpha equal to 11. Clear? Next one. Okay, they are given two matrices. One is 2 cross 2 matrix, one is 3 cross 3 determinants. Sorry, instead of matrix they gave determinants. Okay, they are asking dB by dx. It means derivative of second one they are asking, right? Okay, first find out what is the determinant of A here. Clear? Okay, first what's that? This determinant expansion, tell me. X square minus 1. How to find determinant? You know, right? First two terms, product of diagonal minus product of 9. So x into x square minus product of 9. Now how to expand this one? Start. Now b expand. If when b expand x times x square minus 1 time x minus 1 plus 1 time 1 minus x, right? From this one, x cube minus x plus 1 minus x. Then what is my answer? X cube here how many times? 3x plus 2 is the which one? B, right? Now they asking db by dx. It is the b value, right? Okay, now db by dx. What is the db by dx? It means the derivative of this one, right? It means d by dx of b, x cube minus 3x plus 2. Now derivative of x square, 2x minus 3x is 3 plus 0. What this answer? How much I got answer here? It is correct answer. Okay, let me give me. Oh, sorry students, it says x cube, right? Here I wrote wrong. Give me a moment. I'll write one more time. Say x cube minus 3x plus 2. Then derivative d by dx of x cube 3x square minus 3. That constant goes to 0. Then what is your objection? 3 is common. X square minus 1. Here x square minus 1 answer is nothing but a, right? Then it will come 3a. Which one answer? db by dx is answer 3a. Clear? So option A is the correct answer. And also here you should keep in mind students, suppose if they give 3 cross 3 here, 2 cross 2 here, then that time what is your answer? Then you will get 3b. Clear? This is simple observation. That time you will get here x square minus 1, then you will get again 3b that time. Understood? Next question. Okay, they gave again 3 cross 3 determinant, then find out f of x by x square. Okay, first what is f of x determinant? Okay, first expand this one, f of x by, okay, first expand f of x. Okay, so determinant expansion cos x times x square minus 2x minus x times 2x sin x minus 2x sin x. Oh, both are plus and minus cancel. Then plus 1 time 2x sin x minus x sin x, right? Then f of x equal to, then how much we will get here? If I am expand this one x square minus 2x, right? Okay, let me give a moment. I did it cos x times x square. Oh, it says 2x square, right? Yes, sorry students, it says 2x square. Now tell me x square minus 2x square, how much value? It's a minus, right? Minus x square cos x. This both will be cancelled. One is positive, one is negative. Then here 2x, this side 1x. If we delete 1x, we will get. So that side x sin x, right? For this one f of x. Okay, if I am divide x square this side, then if I am divide this side x square, okay, this will be divided here as well as here, right? Then both will be cancelled, one will be cancelled. Then what is the remaining quantity here? As well as limit x approaches to 0, limit x is approaches to 0 for this one. Yeah, then limit x approaches to 0. What is the remaining here? Minus cos x plus sin x by x, right? Observe, if I apply the limit, what will happen? Cos 0. What is cos 0? 1. So it is minus 1, right? Sin x by x answer, limit x is 1. So minus 1 plus 1 goes to 0. So how much this expansion, how much it will come here? 0 is the answer. So it's a sandwich expansion, right? Sin x by x answer goes to 1. Clear? Cos, if this is cos 0, how much? 1. Clear students? This one 1, this one 1. It is a minus 1, both will be cancelled. So 0 is the my correct option. Option number B. Next question. Okay, which one of the following observation is correct for the features of the logarithmic for any base b greater than 1? Okay, the domain of logarithmic function is R. It is correct? No, right? Already we discussed in, I think, mock 1 or mock 2. Okay, I will write firstly that those things. First, which one? Exponential function. Next, logarithmic function. What is the domain of exponential function and range of both one? Tell me what is the domain of the in last class only we discussed, right? Okay, now I will write those answers here. Say domain and which one? Yeah. Okay, see first. Okay, first, what is the domain of exponential function? The set of all positive, no, right? The set of all real numbers. Coming to domain of logarithmic function, it's the set of positive real numbers, right? Or plus. What about this one? It means range of exponential function, the set of positive real numbers. Come to here, range of logarithmic function, the set of positive real numbers. You should keep in mind, students. If you keep in this one, you can use it to answer. Now first one, see one by one option. The domain of logarithmic function is R. No, it's a R plus, right? It's a R plus. It's a wrong. Next, the range of logarithmic function is R plus. It's correct. No, right? What is the range of logarithmic function? It's a real number, right? It's a wrong. Next, the graph of logarithmic function is decreasing, is left to right. It is possible. No, right? Why? Because of, I will write here, for b greater than 1, this function is strictly increasing, right? So how is it will come decrease? No chance illa, right? So what is the only remaining option? The 0.10 is always logarithmic function. Yes, why not? So which one is the correct option? Option C is the correct one. So very important, students, they are asking in every year this type of question. One, you should be make sure you should be keeping this table in your mind. Next, the function f of x equal to mod cos x. Okay, we know, right? First of all, every modulus function, whatever the modulus function, is always continuous, right? But it is need not be differentiable, right? We'll take one example, mod x. When it is not differentiable, it is modulus, right? When it is not at exactly sharp point, it is not. Suppose it is one modulus function. When it is not differentiable, sharp point. Now tell me, it's cos x function, right? It will come, it is looks like this one, right? So what is this one? It's a pi by 2. This one 3 by 2, right? When, what is sharp point? It's a odd multiple, right? So function where it is not differentiable, odd multiples. Okay, first, if it is continuous, yes, if you go by like this negative also, it will easier to continuous. So it is everywhere continuous and not differentiable. No, everywhere continuous but not differentiable or odd multiples. So which one is correct? Option B is the correct option. Next, y equal to 2x power 3x. Okay, it's a variable power variable, right? Take log on both sides, best shortcut trick. Then log y equal to log of 2x power 3x, right? Log y equal to, we know, right? Log x power m. What is formula? M log x, right? Substitute, apply that formula, the basic property m. Instead of m, which is there. Okay, we can apply directly. It is not in that form, right? Sorry, students, I spoke wrong here. See, observe, it is not log x power. It is not like that, but it is looks like log a b. What is log a b? Log a plus log b. First, apply the product rule. Log 2 plus log x to the power 3x. Now it is there. Understood? Now it is log x power m. What is the answer? M log x. Okay, log y equal to log 2 plus 3x times log x. Clear? Now apply the derivative on both sides. Then what will happen? Then log y, it will, with respect to x, 1 by y into y dash equal to log 2 goes to 0 plus how many functions here is involved? There are two functions. X is one function, log x is one function. So take 3 is outside, then derivative of x. It is a product rule, right? What is the product rule formula? Derivative of uv goes to u dash v plus u v dash. Substitute that formula, then first u dash, it means 1 into log x plus u x into v dash. Log x derivative 1 by x. Then what will happen? These both will be cancelled. Then inside what you will get? 1 plus log x. Okay. Yeah, that implies, okay, we need to find y dash right here. Okay, y dash, this y I'll send this side. Then y dash is equal to y times, then what we are getting inside? 3 times 1 plus log x. Then what they asking here? Y dash equal to, what is y here? What is the y? Is the original function, right? What is the y here? Original function. Then 2x power 3x into 3 times 1 plus log x. They're asking at x equal to how much? 1. Okay, substitute at x equal to 1. Y dash equal to 2. 1 power anything. 1 only. 3 times. So 1 plus log 1. Log 1 how much? 0. Then y dash becomes 2 by anything power 1. 1. Then 3 is there inside. Log 1 goes to 0. So 1 plus 0, 1. So 2, 3 is the 6. Y dash equal to how much? 6 is the my final answer. So is there? Yes, it is option number B, students. Next question. Let the function, the given one of the function is satisfying this one, then for all x belongs to this one and this one. They are saying here f of 0 is not equal to 0. See, if it is non-zero, it will take some value, right? Okay, first, when it will come 0, for easy calculation, I am taking, put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, then we will get simplest. Put x equal to 0, comma, y equal to 0. Then f of 0 plus 0, right, in the given condition. F of 0 into f of 0. Then f of 0 plus 0 is to f of 0, right? F of, I mean, a into a, f of 0 whole square. What is your observation? If I am take f of 0 is common outside, then f of 0 minus, right? Understood or not? If I am write this one as f of 0 whole square minus f of 0 equal to 0, then f of 0 I will take out, then f of 0 minus 1. Clear? This one non-zero, this edge. So this one only goes to 0, right? From this one, we can say f of 0 minus 1 equal to 0, then f of 0 equal to how much it will take? 1. Understood, students? Next one. They're asking which one here? F dash of 5, right? Okay, first write the limit definition. It means in first year, you know, it's what is that formula? First derivative principle, right? What is the first derivative principle? F dash of x formula. Limit h approaches to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h, right? By using this one, I need you to find that one. Okay, what is f of x plus h here? According to question, f of x into f of h. Apply that one. Then limit h approaches to 0, f of x times f of h minus f of x by h, right? So here f of x is common, right? Take out. Then limit h approaches to 0, f of x, if I take outside, f of h minus 1. What is the 1? I understood, my students. Here 1 we will get, right? Instead of 1, I am writing f of 0 directly. F of 0. Understood, student? Dividing by how much? H. Any doubt here? Okay, I want some more space. Okay, I will use this space for this question. Okay, now that equal to limit h is approaches to 0. Then at what value they're asking? 5, right? Okay, take f dash of 5. X equal to how much? I am substituting 5. F of 5. See, observe, students, this is nothing but a limit definition, right? What is this definition? F of a plus h, I mean x plus h. X equal to how much? Say 0. X 0 plus h, h only, right? See, what is this expansion? It is f dash of 0, right? Yes or no? This one we can say it's a f dash of 0, limit definition. So what is f of 5 answer they gave here? 3. F dash of 0 they give 2. Substitute those values. 3 into 2, then we will get 6. So 6 is the my answer. So which one? It is option number 6. Understood, students? Here they mention in this question f of 0 not 0, but what is f of 0? 1. Clear? Next question. Okay, this solution is above question, right? Okay, next, see this one. The value of c they are asking at 0, 2 satisfying this mean value theorem. So what is the mean value theorem? First write the definition of mean value theorem. F dash of c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a is the mean value theorem definition, right? Okay, f dash of c. Okay, first write the function. From this one, what is f of x here given? F of x equal to x times x minus 1 whole square. Okay, expand this one. F of x equal to x, it is a minus b whole square, x square plus 1 minus 2x. If I multiply inside, then what we will get here? X cube plus x minus 2x square. Understood? Okay, from this one, what is f of x? F dash of x, right? Okay, they're asking f dash of c, right? So if I am substituting instead of x, this one. Okay, first write c, then better you can understood. Okay, first f of c value instead of x, c cube plus c minus 2c square. Then f dash of c answer how much? 3c square plus 1 minus 4c. Now substitute those values. Then this one becomes 3c square minus 4c plus 1 equal to f of b. What is f of b? Observe, what is the interval? This one they gave. Substitute, it's a b value, it's a value. A is 0, b is 2. It means f of 2 minus f of 1 by 2 minus not 1. It's a 0, right? 2 minus 0. Then what is f of 2 here? Substitute 2 here. Then what is your answer? 2. 2 minus 1, 1 square. It's a 2 we will get. If you substitute 0, 0 and anything 0, right? So how much you will get? 2 by 2, right? Okay, substitute. Then we will get 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. So finally 3c square minus 4c equal to 0, right? See, if I am cancel this side, this one and this one, 0. From this one, what is c common? Then 3c minus 4 equal to 0. Then when it will become, either c should be goes to or 0 or c. So I'm taking this one goes to 0. Then because of c equal to 0 not there, right, in any option, right? Now what is this another chance? 3c minus 4 equal to 0, then c equal to 4 by 3 is the answer. So where it is 4 by 3, option number B is the correct answer, students. Now see this question. Oh, this question already we did in differential calculation, right? So what is simplest? I'm see here, I don't solve this question. Put x equal to 2 cos theta, then what we will get if we expand this one, full this expansion, we will get, okay, let me give me a moment, I'm thinking, we will get that time half plus x by 4 we will get. Yes or no, students? Then for this one, it's this expansion I am saying. Then if you differentiation, okay, d by dx of this one we will get. If you differentiate 1 by 4 we will get. Okay, try yourself. If you don't know, go by mock test 1. Mock test 1 already we did this question. Then you will get clarity. So option number 1 by 4 is the correct answer. Next question. For this function, they are saying, okay, which one will be satisfying? See, either point of maximum or minimum or inflection, we should find out first derivative. Okay, from this one, what is the first derivative? F dash of x equal to, oh, it's a 3x square minus 12x plus 12. For critical point, put f dash of x equal to 0. Then what will happen? Put f dash of x. Okay, here no need, right? Why? Because of c. Wait. See, here in this question, they are only saying one of the critical point 2. Here no need to find. Go by second derivative, substitute x equal to 2, you will get what is the requirement. If it is, okay, go find out second derivative, f dash of x. What is second derivative here? 6x minus 2. Okay, substitute at x equal to 2, f dash 6 into 2 minus 12. It means 12 minus 2 equal to 0. Yes, we got second derivative 0, right? We know that f double dash of x at critical point, okay, critical point, if it is equal to 0, f double dash of x is less than 0, f double dash of x is greater than 0, then what is this names here? You should be remember. The first one is inflection point. What is this point name called? Inflection point. What about next one, students? It's a local or absolute maxima. Okay. Okay, what about greater than 0? Local or absolute minimum point. Okay, instead of this one they will mention sometimes it's a maxima, right? Like large value they will give, this one small value they will give, both are same. Okay, all are same. Now which one is correct option? We got 0, it means it's a inflection point. So point of maximum, critical point of option B is the correct answer. Next, the function is strictly increasing at, so first to find out the first, what is the meaning of strictly increasing? First derivative always should be greater than 0. If it is decreasing, f dash of x less than 0. That is the first find out f dash of x, f dash of x. Okay, first derivative f of x. What is f of x? F of x equal to x to the power of x, right? Okay, instead of this one I will take y better. Okay, let's y equal to x to the power of x. It's a variable power, variable, right? So what is the trick here? Log on both sides. Then log y equal to log x to the power of x. Then if I'm okay, this one say log a power b, right? So b log a. So this one equal to x log x, right? Then differentiating with respect to x on both sides, then log y becomes 1 by into y dash, then y dash equal to y I am taking this side. Then here two functions, product of two functions, u dash b plus u v dash, then derivative of x 1 times log x plus x times 1 by x, x will be cancelled, then inside you will get only 1 plus log x, then y, what is the value? Replace from this one, y dash equal to, what is the y here? X to the power of x 1 plus log x, right? See, this is the y dash function. Here make sure, students, here x power x is strictly increasing, it never goes to be 0. So when it was, what is the possible chance? 1 plus x. Okay, they are saying here increasing, right? It means it's a greater than 0, strictly increasing. So it is always increasing, right? This one, x power x is always greater than 0. Okay, let me move it. X power x is always greater than 0. So when this this quantity will be greater than 0. If it is positive, this should be always positive. If it is negative, this should be positive. If it is one positive, one negative, is always wrong. Clear? So 1 plus log x is also greater than or equal to 0. If I am okay, if I am send this plus 1 that side, minus 1, right? Take e on exponential on both sides, e power log answer 1, then we will get x this side e inverse. From this one, understood, students? Here, so here I will write one more step. I am taking e power on both sides is e inverse. Okay, then x greater than e inverse we can write 1 by. So this is the my correct required answer, x greater than 1 by. So it is option number C. Next, see this question. Okay, this question, the maximum value they are asking of the right circular cone with a slant height 6 units. Okay, find out. First draw the, it's a cone, right? They give. Okay, shape not coming. Okay, let me move it. Oh, not taking. Okay. Oh my god. Give me a moment. I will draw the cone. It is not taking. Cone. Oh. Okay. I am only will draw. Oh, it's not a cone, right? Yeah, better. It is one of the cone they given say, yeah, slant, right? We know, right, in this one, for this one in a cone, what this is height of the cone, it's a radius, and this is the length, right? And this one, how much they're saying height? This one they're saying in this question, this one equal to 6 units, right circular cone, how much they give? 6 units. If L equal to 6 units, then find out the maximum value of this one. Oh, so what is the maximum value? It means what is the volume of the right circular cone? V equal to volume equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. When you will get maximum value? Okay, as well as from this one, observe students, by using Pythagorean theorem, side square plus h square equal to hypotenuse square, then L square equal to h square plus r square, right? Okay, from this one, L square is equal to r square plus h square. We need to find from this one r square equal to L square minus, what is L square? R6 square, 36 minus h square. Okay, r square value substitute in this one, v equal to 1 by 3 pi r square. It means 36 h, I am multiplying directly, minus h square into that one, h cube. Understood? Then if you want to find maximum value, it's a derivative, it's a change, right? So with respect to which one here? H, right? dv by dh equal to 1 by 3 pi. It means pi by 3 is constant outside, then 36 derivative of h1 and 3 h square. Clear? So when it will be, for we'll get maximum, for critical point goes to 0, we put dv by dh equal to 0, then we can say 36 minus 3h square equal to 0. See, pi by 3 we can easily to divide both sides, right? 0 this side also 0, 0 by anything, I mean see this side, if I send side pi by 3 pi by 3, 0 by pi 3 also, this one only goes to 0, then it will be multiple of 3 multiples, right? Cancel, then h square equal to 12, h equal to root, it is plus minus, right? But always it is a volume positive, it's a 4 3, that means 4 is a perfect square, then we will get 2 root 3. What is the h value here? 2 root 3 we will get. Okay, substitute 2 root 3 in the volume, then you will get required. Understood? Okay, I'm writing final steps here. Okay, what is this one? Volume equal to pi by 3 times 36. I am substituting here, okay, h value directly, you will get answer. Okay, here, okay, 36 h, 36 into 2, 72 o, 72 times root 3 minus the h cube. H cube means it is 2 cube 8, 8 3 square will be cancelled, 8 3 is 24, 24 root 3, right? 24 root 3, then what is the remaining here? 72 only 24 remove one, then it is 68, it is a 48, yes. So then 48 pi by 3, 48 pi by root 3 also there, right? Then how many times 48 it will be cancelled by using 3? It 16 times, 16 3 is 48, yes. Then we will get 16 root 3 pi is the required answer. Clear, student? So 16 root 3 pi, what is volume here? Units, cubic units. So which one is the correct option, students? 16 root 3. So it is option number B. Next, f of x equal to this one when it is increasing. Okay, first very easy, first find out derivative. Oh, it is f dash of x. F dash of x equal to u is two functions, right? U and v. U dash, it is 1 time x, oh sorry, 1 time e power x times 1 minus x plus x times e power x time, e power x derivative, e power x 1 minus x, but it is a x only, it is not x, right? Do internal derivative, then what will happen? It is again one more time u, right? Then 2 times you should do a derivative. So first derivative of x 1 times 1 minus x plus x times derivative of 1 minus x, 0 minus x. Understood, students? Okay, give me a moment. Yeah. Then e power x times 1 minus x plus x times e power x times 1 minus, oh, yeah, e power x times 1 minus x. Then what is inside expression? 1 minus x minus x square, right? Okay, then here we did correct or not? Okay, let me give you it. E power x, it's a u 1 time 1 minus x plus x times 0 minus, oh, it is a 1, right? Okay, correct it. It's a 0 minus derivative of x 1, right? Yeah, now fine. Then here also we should change, then x into minus 1 minus x, right? And also here what is your observation? E power x is also common, then take out e power x times 1 minus x is the common, then inside here 1 plus x times how many times? 1 minus 2x, then e power x times 1 minus x, 1 plus x minus 2x, how many times? Then minus x only, right? It is correct. Okay, give me a moment. No, right? Then 1 plus x minus 2x square. Now observe, students, so which one is goes to 0 here? This one, it will goes to 0, it never, right? It never goes to 0. This one only goes to 0, then equal to 0, then write down. Why we are quoting 0? For critical point, put f dash of x equal to 0. This part only goes to 0. Then if I am substitute, put 1 plus x minus 2x square equal to 0, then 2x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So what are the possible values of this one? Then 2x square, it is a minus 1, it means minus 2 plus 1, minus 2x plus 1x minus 1 equal to 0. Then 2x if I am take out, x minus 1, if I am take plus 1, x minus 1 equal to 0. Then what are the roots here? 2x plus 1 is the one root and x minus 1 is the one root, so x equal to minus 1 by 2 comma 1, right? So how to say this one is increasing decreasing? Very easy, take simple wavy curve method. Okay, then it is plus infinity, is minus infinity. What is the critical point? Suppose if it is 0 but no, not mentioned, it's a 1, then what about this one? It's a minus 1 by 2. In this one, between in this one, take any one value, substitute where you should substitute. You should substitute here, that's all. Why? Because of, see, this one is clearly strictly increasing, it never goes to be 0, no need to substitute here, you will get always positive, right? Here only our target is to check here, it will be satisfied. Okay, for simple calculation, what is the middle value in this one? In minus 1 by 2 to take 0. Okay, 1 plus 0 0, then 1 is a positive, it's a greater than 0, right? It means increasing, positive means increasing. So here the function, what it is acting here, it's increasing, right? Now tell me where the function is clearly increasing, it is overall, no. So where the function is increasing, minus 1 by 2 comma 1. So option D is the correct option, students. Okay, it is closed interval, it's a question, right? It's a open. Okay, say minus 1 by 2 comma 1, it will take that particular value, is no guarantee, right? Okay, give me a minute. Okay, if it is 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2, it is goes to 0, it will satisfy. Yeah, it will satisfy. Okay, then if it is minus 1 by 2, so 1 minus of minus of, if it is substitute 1 by 2, 1 by 2, so 1 by 2, yeah, it will take that attain to values also, it will take, it is strictly increasing. Clear? Next one, see the next question. This is integral question. First it is in the standard form, first make it into standard form, you will get the required answer. Okay, what is the given integral here? Let I equal to given integral, I equal to integral sin x by 3 plus 4 cos square x I am writing, cos x whole square into dx. Simple observation, observe what is your observation, put cos x equal to t, derivative of cos minus sin x dx, minus not there, multiply and divide, that's all. Then what is substitution here? Put cos x equal to t, whenever substitution immediately derivative of cos minus sin x with the cross multiplication dx equal to dt, right? I need only sin x, right? So sin x dx equal to minus dt. Substitute those values, then our integral becomes minus times integral sin x dx, it is dt. So I will write dt here. 3 is there, no? 3 I will write instead of that one root 3 whole square 4. It is a t square. Cos x is t square, right? Cos x equal to t, then t square. So this one I am writing 2t whole square. Now tell me, it is a standard form now. A square plus x square. Then what is answer? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Now standard form ready. Now substitute instead of a root 3, instead of x 2t, then the 2 will be divided, right? It's not a plus 1, right? As already last lecture only we discussed. Then minus 1 by, oh sorry, it's minus 1 by a. What is a value? Root 3 tan inverse x by a. What is instead of x? 2t by a. What is a value? Root 3. See, observe students, here what is the x coefficient, I mean t coefficient is a plus 1. No, we should divide how much? 2. That one we should divide completely here. Understood? Then what we will get here? We will get root 3 into 2 root 3 we will get, and replace t also. What is t? Cos x. That's it. That equal to minus 1 by 2 root 3 tan inverse 2t as cos x by root 3 plus c. Sorry, it is plus c, right? Plus c is the correct answer. Okay, see which one is correct answer here? Say plus c. So it is option number 1 is the correct answer. Next, see, it's a very easy question, just property. Here if you want to solve this question, whenever you should immediately remember this property. It's a definite integral property is minus a to a f of x dx equal to, what is the property? 2 times integral 0 to a f of x dx, when f of x, okay, if f of minus x equal to positive f of x. What this means? It's a even function definition. If this will give 0 when if f of minus x equal to minus times f of x, it means odd function. Now see the function, given function I am taking f of minus x, f of minus x. Okay, first write down what is f of x in this one. Okay, first I will write this is f of x. This is f of x. I am substituting instead of x as minus x. Then 1 minus x whole square, it is a positive x square. Sin of minus x cos square of minus x. We know the right, cos of minus theta plus cos theta. Sin of minus theta. Clearly we are getting minus is outside, 1 minus x square into sin x into cos square of x. It is nothing but a minus times f of x. It's a odd function. Odd function. Whenever odd, how much is the answer? We are saying odd case, we are getting 0 only. So this answer goes to 0. Option number 4. Just see the function, even or odd, that's it. Now see the next question. Okay, now one more indefinite integral question. What they given here? Okay, let me give a moment. Yeah, let us take given integral name I. Okay, first I am taking for simple calculation. Put, I will write here, put log x equal to t. Then derivative of log x 1 by x dx equal to how much answer? Dt. Clear? First observe. Clear? See, observe. If I take log x as t, 1 by x is ready. Then this answer goes to dt. Then our integral becomes integral. So dx answer 1 by x over, right? 1 by 6 log x whole square, 60 square plus 7 log x t plus 2 times dx answer goes to dt. Clear? This 1 by x, observe students, see this 1 by x dx answer of much dt. Okay, now it's a method of perfect square. How to method of perfect? First write into quadratic equation form. Then how to write? What is the t variable? 7 by 2. It's a very easy, right? Otherwise go by like a splitting term. What is splitting term here? Is 6 to joule. So for the joule also we can use. Okay, we can write this one 1 by 60 square plus 40 plus 3t plus 2 times dt. So then what is your observation here? 1 by 8 2t is common, right? Then 3t square with t only, right? I took 2 outside, right? Plus 2. If I am take, nothing is there common, so 1, right? 1 is outside. 3t plus 2 into dt. Also, what is the common factor here? This common factor, it is another factor. Then our integral will become I equal to, okay, integral 1 by 3t plus 2 into 2t plus 1, right? Now how to do this one? It is very simple, is by using which one? Partial fraction. When it goes to 0, that one only important. Now tell me then how to expand this one? A by 3t plus 2 plus b by 2t plus 1, right? So when it will become 0, when it will become 0, that one. Okay, this one I hope you know very well. So I am using just shortcut tricks. Then I am writing this one expands integral. Now for finding this one, when it is becomes 0, 3. When it will be minus 2 by 3. This one minus 2 plus 1 goes to 0. Substitute this one minus 2 by 3 here. Clear? If I substitute minus 2 by 3 plus 1, then minus 4 plus 3 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 is the first one. So this one, how much it will come? Minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 times 3t plus 2 plus second one, when it will be goes to 0, this is minus 1 by 2 2 times plus 1, it will, then it will become 0. So minus 1 by 2 substitute. Where you should substitute? Here you should substitute. So 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 2 by 2 is nothing but a minus 1 by 2. So this one, how much we can get here? Minus 1 by 2. So here plus into minus also minus. Then I am writing here minus, oh, minus 1 by 2 times 2t plus 1 times dt. Now it's simple, it's a basic integration, right? Then it's a linear, so integral 1 by t answer log mod t, that's all. So minus 1 by 3 log mod 3t plus 2 minus 1 by 2 log mod 2t plus 1 plus a, right? Then here how much is the coefficient of, make sure students here t coefficient should be plus 1, not there. 3 plus 1 not there. We should divide those things. Dividing by 3, here dividing by 2, they both will be cancelled. Oh, I did mistake. Okay, where I did mistake, let me give you hint. How much you get? Minus 1 by 3. It is 1 by minus 1 by 3. Oh, it is, we got a value. See, acha, we did mistake, right? I mean I did mistake, right? Yeah, right. Minus 1 by 3, it means it will goes to numerator. Think in partial fraction I did mistake. Let me give you a hint. I will do again fastly. Sorry students. Okay, if I want to find this value, then when it is goes to 0, this one will be minus 2 by 3, right? So substitute here minus 2 by 3, then minus 2 by 3 into 2 plus 1 minus 4 by 3 plus 1 means minus 4 plus 1 by 3 more plus 3, right? Minus 1 by 3 I will get, right? For where here minus 1 by 3, if I move to upside, 1 by minus 1 by 3 minus 3 will get. Okay, I did last time this one, it will come minus 3, right? Okay, now this one minus 1 by 3 I got, so minus 3 will come up, right? Numerator, yes, I did mistake, sorry students. Plus now I want to find right partial fraction of this one. So 1 by 2t plus 1, it goes to minus 1 by 2. Now only we said, now this one will both substitute here 3 times minus 1 by 2 plus 2, right? So minus 3 plus 4 by 2, it means 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 1 by 2. If I am saying 2, sorry, it is 2 times. Okay, 2 times how much it is? 2t plus 1. Now we will get correct answer into dt. Now simple integration, right? Minus 3 times log mod 3t plus 2 log mod 2t plus 1 plus c. Here what is t? Replace and then tell me here. That's it. And oh, that's it. And also one more thing is forget, right? Here what is the t coefficient? It is 3. We should divide and t coefficient 2. Now 2 will be cancelled and 3 will be cancelled, right? And also it is looks like log a minus log b. It's log a by b, right? Now write down by using that one. Oh, I will let. Yeah, log a by b. What is a instead of here? 2. T. What is t substitution here? We took log, right? 2 log x plus 1. I'm substituting directly the t also storing. Plus 1 is dividing by 3t plus 2. 3 log x plus 2. Sorry, it's a determinant, right? Here also. Log mod. So not determinants, it's a mod, right? Log mod this one plus a. Okay. Okay, now we will see this is our integral I expansion. We'll check option is there or not there. I equal to log mod 2 log x plus 1 by 3 log x plus 2. Where it is there? Option number. Oh, so they didn't give like this. Okay, we will give. Okay, like this, students. So option B is the suitable, not suitable, this exactly correct answer. Clear? So this is the way. Next question, see. Okay, give me a moment. Yeah, integral sin 5x. See, if you want to solve this question, there are two ways. One, first method, do like this. Integral, our integral name is I equal to sin 5x by 2 by sin x2. I am multiplying dividing by 2 here, as well as I am multiplying divided by cos x by 2 cos x by 2 dx. See here, make sure, students, if you are perfect in trigonometry, you can use it to solve definite or indefinite integrals. Already we discussed in last class only. Otherwise it is not easy to solve in this one. So that time if you are facing difficulty, you should skip in examination. No, otherwise I can do like that. If you feel, you do. Otherwise you will be time waste, right? Then if I am apply the numerator formula, we have one formula, right? 2 sin x cos x. What is the formula? Sin 2x. And one more formula, 2 sin a cos b. What is this formula? 2 sin a cos b. It is a sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. I am using this formula. I am writing these parts. Clear? Okay. Otherwise simple formula also we can apply. It's not a problem. Now if I apply the numerator, then sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus 5, it means 5x by 2 plus x by 6x by 2, it means 3x. Okay, plus sin of x by 5 minus 5x by 2 minus x by 2, 4x, it means 2x. Sin 2x, right? Is it dividing by 2 sin x by 2 cos x minus sin 2x, it means it is a sin x, right? Downside into dx. Then what is sin 3x in trigonometry formula? 3 sin x minus 4 sin k by x. What is sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x. Is it dividing by sin x dx. Now dividing sin x in all sides, then tell me answer. 3 minus 4 sin square x, it will come. Sin square x we can write 1 minus cos square x plus 2 sin x cancel, 2 cos x into dx. And what is the trigonometry? 1 minus cos square x we can use it to write. Tell me, 1 minus cos square x can be written as 1 minus cos square any formula. We can write, oh no, right? Okay, little bit adjustment in doing. Sorry students, here 4 is there, right? Okay, I'll write one more time. Here 4 is there. If I take 2 is outside, then what will get? 2 sin square. Here I mean here 1 sin will be cancelled. After 2 sin square x will come, right? What is 2 sin square x? It is sin square x generally 1 minus cos 2x. Then if I am divided by, yeah, then we will get here 1 minus cos 2x. Clear? How to I wrote this one? We know, right? What is this one? 1 plus cos 2x by 2 equal to how much this answer? Is it with a cos square x, right? And sin square x we can write. Tell me. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. By using this formula I wrote that one. Understood? Next. Now do the simple integrations, right? Now if I am do integration, then what is simple integration here? Okay, still one more step. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 I will write simple step, right? Direct ones. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus 2 cos x times dx. Now to the integration, then x plus 2 cos 2x means 2 sin 2 will cancel, sin 2x plus 2 cos x 2 sin x plus c is the answer. Now this is the answer, x plus 2 sin x plus 2 sin x. So which one is the correct answer? Option number, it is C is the correct answer. Otherwise, suppose if we are feeling it is like very too lengthy, then go by simple expansion. Whenever they are asking, or should we remember this all those tricks, okay? Suppose if any integral, it is looks like sin nx by sin x, students. If your n is odd, then our expansion it looks like 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus 2 cos 4x plus and so on like this. Now tell me what is n value they gave? 5, right? So how many times will give? So 1, 3, 5. So how many times we need to expand only? Tell me. Only 2 or 3 times? 3 times, right? 1, 3, 5, right? Okay, first last term plus 2 cos n minus 1 into x. Like this we can expand this one. By using this trick, what we will get here? 1 plus here 2 times, here x is x by 2, right? Then if I am substitute x equal to 3, then what we will get here? X by 2, x by 2. It means we will get cos x only, right? Both will be cancelled. But here 4 means 4 1 4 2. It means 2 times cos 2x. Now observe, again we are getting same this step, right? By using shortcut trick, students. Make sure students, if you are perfect in this shortcut, there you go by. Otherwise don't follow. Observe here, your x is acting here x by 2 in the given problem. Next question. Now whenever this type of questions, very easy, right? So what is the how to do this type of question? By using shortcut trick. Simple. See, first, right, I am splitting this one as 1 to 5 mod x minus 3 plus, if I am take minus outside, then we will get again modulus of x minus 1 dx. For first situation, this one and as well as put, I am doing in mind calculation. See, put x minus 3 modulus of t, you will get, right? If I am put x minus 3 equal to t, right? If I am substitute lower limit 1 minus 3, so how much I will get? T equal to minus 2, like that here and here substitute. Then we know that I will write first shortcut trick here. Whenever your integral not minus a, right, it looks like a to, see, even if you go by normal method also you will get it. It's not a problem, student. Mod x dx, then your answer is looks like a square plus b square by 2, b square minus a square by 2. If a and b opposite sides, if both are same sign, okay, so modulus, clear, same sign. Now using this trick I am doing. So here whenever we are taking substitution, right, here put x minus 3, then your limits also will be changed, right? Limits change and then directly, then that equal to integral x minus 3 if I am substitute 1 minus 3, it is minus 2 lower limit, 5 minus 3 2, then it is modulus of t dt dx plus 1 minus 1 0 lower limit 5 minus 1 4 it goes to modulus of t dt, then both are opposite, then 2 square plus 2 square 4 plus 4 8 by 2 it is 8 by 2 how much 4 this one 4 square 16 by 2 8, so how much my answer, it's a 12 is the my answer. Understood what is the trick here? If you are not getting, then drop a comment in comment section, I will clarify. Next one, see this one, limit n tends to infinity, this one okay, what is your observation here? It is 1 2 and so on n varying, so this one we can easy to write summation n equal to 1 to n, okay, not n, it is varying, right? So I'm taking r is equal to 1 to n 1 by it's n, right? N by n square plus r square. Now substitute r equal to 1 2 and so on, we will get again same expansion. Clear students? Then if I am take here n is outside, summation r equal to 1 to n, then n is outside, I am taking n square outside, then 1 plus r by n whole square it will come, right? Yes or no? N will be cancelled, then we can write simplified summation r equal to 1 to n 1 by n dividing by 1 plus r by n whole square, right? So how to write this one? Put substitution, then you can write put r by n equal to x, then what it will happen, limits tell me, then n goes to infinity, right? If I am substitute n goes to infinity, yeah, if I am substitute finite by infinite, then x is lower limit 0, if I am substitute upper limit n by 1, then x equal to 1 is the upper limit, then this expression it will becomes integral 0 to 1, then 1 by n what will happen, it's a dx, right? Then derivative of r by n it goes to 1 by n into dr equal to dx, then from this one 1 by n goes to dx, then the time dr, if you do like that in this presence of a, then 1 by n as 1, it means dx, right? This one 1 plus r by n is x square, simple, it's a tan inverse x, substitute those limits 0 to 1, tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0, when 1 will get in tan double pi by 4, both will be cancelled, pi by 4 minus 0, it is pi by 4 is the required answer. So which one is the correct option? Option number 1. Next, the area of the region. Okay, take first what is the given curves, it's bounded by two curves, one is 3x and y equal to x cube 3 curves, right? Okay, first curve y equal to 3x, y equal to x cube, from this one 3x equal to x cube, you can say from this one x cube minus 3x we can write x take outside, x square minus 3 equal to 0, when it is possible either x equal to 0 or x equal to plus minus root 3. Clear? Then how to find the area of this one? Area equal to, what is the lower limit here? Minus root 3. With respect to x axis I am finding upper limit root 3 to y dx. What is the y here? Okay, what is the upper curve here? 3x minus lower curve x cube into dx. We can use it to say this one. Okay, if I give diagram, you can use it to understand, right? Okay, first take x axis and y axis, right? First the how it will be looks like y equal to x cube graph, it is looks like right? Then and what about y equal to 3x graph here? It is looks like here, right? Y equal to 3x graph. Yes or no, students? Then which area we need to find here? We need to find this area portion and this area portion. Clear? Now what is this point according to the question? So it is minus root 3, it is plus root 3 values. Observe this much, how much this one is area, this much also same, right? We can say 2 times. We can write our integral as 2 times integral 0 to root 3. And also how to find this one area is upper curve. What is upper curve? It's a y equal to 3x, it is a x cube, right? So upper curve minus lower curve. Clear? How to write this one? Next, 3x minus x cube into x. Now do the integration 2 times. 3 into x square by 2 minus x power 4 by 4, 0 to root 3, right? Now what is your observation? If I am sent 2 is inside, then it will be cancelled. Then 3 times root 3 whole square, it means 3 only, right? Minus 2 1 ja 2 2 will cancel, root 3 power 4, so root 3 square into root 3 square, 3 3 ja 9, so 9 by 2 I will get. So 9 minus 9 by 2, right? 9 minus 9 by 2, how much you will get? 9 by 2 only, right? 1 minus half, 9 minus 9 by 2, 9 by 2 only I will get here answer. So which one is the option number B? Next question, again also same question. First I will give the diagram. Okay, again what they gave x cube. Okay, they gave x cube. The x cube graph, it is looks like this one, and y equal to x, right? So how it looks like y equal to x? It will be becomes, say, middle line, right? Yes. Clear? Now which area we want to find? Now this area and this area, again same logic, right? If you observe this portion area, how much it is there, this portion also same. We can easily to say this one by like previous problem. Now from this one, x cube equal to x cube minus x equal to 0. If I am take x outside, x square minus 1 equal to 0. When it is possible, either x equal to 0, x equal to plus minus 1. So therefore area, required area equal to, I will write easy to say 2 times integral 0 to 1. What is the upper curve here? Again same. What is the upper curve? X. What is the lower curve here? This one, right? Then upper curve is x cube. Oh, it is not x cube, x, right? X minus x cube into dx. Do the simple integration. X square by 2 minus x power 4 by 4 integral 0 to 1. Then 2 2 will cancel, 1 square as 1, minus 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, then 1 square by 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 2 answer 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2 answer? 0.5 square units. Suppose if this previous problem they gave 9 by 2, how much? 4.5, like that. Students, clear? If they give fraction or decimal, just convert. So 0.5 where it is there, it is option number 4 is the correct answer, students. Next question, it's a differential equation. First of all, e power dy by dx. When e power will be cancelled, take log on both sides, then e power log cancel, then dy by dx equal to log of x plus 1. Now separate the variable separable, then dy equal to log x plus 1 into dx, then integrate, right? Then integral dy equal to y, integral log x plus 1 answer. Make sure students, I will give first simplest, integral log x dx equal to, what is the formula? Already we discussed, x log x minus x plus c. Instead of x, how much is there? X plus 1. Now integral log x plus 1 dx. So x plus 1 plus 1, no problem. So x plus 1 log x plus 1 minus of x plus 1 plus c. Like if the x coefficient is 2, then 2 times you will multiply. Clear? See, otherwise I don't know how to do this one. If you go by parts, so a is algebraic is 1, logarithmic, so it is first point, it's a first function, it's a second function. I let formula, you can go. Then what is this x function? X plus 1 log of x plus 1 minus x log x minus x, right? It means x plus 1 plus a. Okay, if you want, I will write add. Since integral log x dx, what is the answer? X log x minus x plus a. By using this tricky, I wrote that formula. Yeah. Now, what is the given initial condition they gave here, y of 0 equal to 3, it means x equal to 0, y equal to 3. Substitute here, y equal to 3, x equal to 0, 0 plus 1 1, log 0 plus 1 0, this first question goes to 0, then 0 plus 1 1. So here how much? Minus 1 plus c I will get, then c equal to 4 I will get. Clear? Substitute c value again here, then write remaining things. Then our general solution, it will become, and also constant these things move to this side, and this one this side, and this one this side here. Then y minus x minus 1, oh minus become plus, right? Y plus x minus, then minus c, right, equal to x plus 1 time log of x plus 1, then y plus x, c value 4. So minus 1 minus 4, I wrote any mistake here, so it is plus, right? Here observe this minus term, it goes to plus term, right? Yeah, then c substituted 4, so 1 minus 4, how much I will get? Minus 3 I will get, minus 3 equal to x plus 1 times log of x plus 1. So this is the final answer, students. So what is the correct option? Y minus, no, y plus x minus 1 equal to, it is option number 4, right? Next question, again it is one of the differential equation, right? It's a very interesting question. First you should understand the first what is the given, everything. Okay, what is the given here? The family of curves whose x and y intercept tangent means derivative dy by dx is a double, then expect the point coordinates, I mean intercept from they're asking. Okay, first write down that one. Suppose we know, right? Just I'm writing, I'm taking any point xy. Clear? Okay, I will write the equation of the tangent at point p of x comma y is, what is formula general? Y minus o. Y minus y equal to m times, what is the m here? Slope, dy by dx times x minus x. Clear? Here where x and y are the coordinates of the point, any tangent on the line, and also for x intercept if you want, put for x naught set y equal to 0, x intercept. For if you want to find y intercept, y naught, set x equal to 0. This much only is tricky here. Okay, here two ways here, first one and second one. Okay, I will write here for x intercept, for y intercept what we should set here. If you want to x intercept x naught, set y equal to 0. Y intercept if you want, set, I mean y naught, set x equal to 0. Clear? Then what will happen in this one? 0 minus y equal to dy by dx times, at x equal to x naught, right? X naught minus, it's small x, right? X. From this one, x naught equal to how much we can say simply? X minus y by dy by dx for x. Coming to for y intercept. So what is this for y intercept, anyone? So I will put x equal to 0, right? Then y naught equal to, I will do directly y minus x into dy by dx. Clear, students? Now observe, for what they are asking here, they are saying intercept form, how much it is? Double, right? Okay, your choice, either take x naught or y. According to problem, how much they give? X naught equal to 2x double they give, and y naught equal to how much they give? 2y they give, right? Okay, substitute those values and then solve for I'm solving for x intercept, we will see. Okay, then if I am substitute x naught equal to 2x, then 2x minus x will get minus x or not, we will check. For x naught substitute, then tell me required. Okay, x naught equals to 2x, if I am substitute here, then 2x if I am take positive x this side, minus y by dy by dx, right? Then from this one, minus, okay, positive x cross multiply dy by dx equal to minus y, right? Okay, as well as multiply by minus, otherwise separate y variables and separate x variables. Then dy by dx equal to minus y by x. Now what is this sum? It's a variable separable. Write down dy by y equal to minus 1 by x dx. Integrate on both sides. Then how much I will get here? I will write calculations here. Log y equal to minus log x plus log c. Then if I am take minus log on that side, log a plus log b, it will come log of xy equal to log c. Log will be cancelled. Then xy equal to c is the correct answer. Option is there, xy. Yes, it is option number A, students. Clear, students? If they are asking in this particular question volume of the parallel pipe, you should just write down this one 1 by 6 times volume of the parallel pipe. Suppose if they mention about this question, I think this one is not recorded. I will do firstly, let a but b but two vectors, they said 2 unit vectors, so magnitude of it should be 1, and they're saying this one is unit vector. Okay, so when it will be unit vector, magnitude of this one should be 1. I am taking squaring on both side after. It's a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 and a bar dot b bar, by using this one you want, this one cross multiplication I wrote. So 1 will cancel. This a bar dot b bar goes a bar dot power 1. So 2 times cos theta equal to minus 1 half that side. When you will get minus half in cos table as 120 degree. 120 means in radians, in 120 degree, 2 by 3, right? So theta equal to 2 by 3. So option number C is the correct answer. Now see one more vector question. It is also like similar question to previous one, but it should be know just simple basics here. That one, like, see, observe, they're asking a bar plus b bar times b bar, right? See, a bar is a first, b bar is I cap. Let us take a bar equal to I cap plus a cap plus k cap. Then what will happen? See, and also before you should know this basics. What is that basic here? A bar dot of b bar cross c bar. We can say it is box A B C. Next go by like this series. Then b bar dot of c bar cross a bar, as well as c bar dot of a bar cross b bar, all equal to, it is a box BCA. We can say all are equal, it's not a different. This one equal to box CAB. Clear? Then these three vectors, see, whatever the given vectors here, p bar they given, q bar they given, r bar they given, right? These all vectors are reciprocal systems. Of which one? Here a for a vector and b vector and c vector, this one. Clear? This all reciprocal. Then it will be satisfied two conditions. I am going to write those conditions. What it will be satisfied here? A bar dot p bar equal to p bar dot q bar equal to c bar dot r bar equal to how much answer? 1. And also make sure is if it is different, if it is satisfied different. Suppose a bar is with the q bar as well as with the r bar, and what is the remain here? B bar as p bar. Oh, it is a bar, right? Sorry, it's a bar or b bar dot c bar as well as c bar dot a bar equal to c bar dot b bar, all are goes to 0. Now by using these two conditions, this one how to do, this is very easy. Next, now whatever the required, substitute this one. If I am expand this one, a bar dot bar, okay, wait, a bar dot p bar answer 1, b bar dot p bar 0, then b bar dot q bar 1, right? Then c bar dot 0, then c bar dot r bar is to 1, a bar dot r bar equal to 0. So how much I will get? 1 plus 1 plus 1 I will get, right? It means 1 plus 1 plus 1, total 3 I will get. So which option is correct? Option number, it is 3. Understood, students? If I expand this one by using this trick is, you will get this one is 1. Oh, this one is 1 and this one is 1 and this one is 1, remaining this all goes to zeros. Clear? Next, now 3D geometry, and they given two lines. These two lines they are saying mutually perpendicular. It means how much? 90 degree, cos 90 equal to 0. And we know if you need to skew lines, not skew lines, it is skew lines, no, right? But these two are which lines? Cartesian form lines, L1 and L2. What is the Cartesian form angle formula? Cos theta equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square under root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square, right? Now cos 90 it is 0, right? So 0 into anything 0, so this one only remaining condition, right? So by using this one, and also make sure students, whenever you want to solve any line question, you should be check first your x coefficient and y coefficient and z coefficient should be plus 1. If it is not there, first to make it into plus 1. So plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, no problem, we can do whatever angle, distance, whatever we can find out. Suppose 2x minus 3, it's a plus 1 is there, no, that time to take outside x minus 3 by 2. Then how to write this one? X minus 3 by 2, that 2 will be right, we can say 1 by 2. Now tell me x coefficient plus 1, like that you have to make it, then write out. Clear? That one only you should be remember. Understood? That ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೇವೆ, ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪಕ್ಕ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೀಲ್, ಎಸ್ ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಈ ತರಹ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಪಕ್ಕ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಾಂಗು. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಯರ್? a1 a2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ b1 b2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ c1 c2 equal to 0 when if it is mutually perpendicular, or instead of this one they will mention right angles. Right angle means again 90 degrees. That time also same formula. Clear? What is here? a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2, write down unequal to 0. Then minus 3 times 3k plus 2k times 1 plus 2 times minus 5 equal to 0. Minus 9k plus 2k, if I am right that side, so minus 10 goes to plus 10, right? So minus 7k equal to 10. I want to find k value. It is nothing but a minus 10 by 7. So which one is the correct answer? So option A. And also this question is very very important in boards also, right? So minus 10 by 7 is the correct answer, students. It's a very very basic question, right? In the angle between two diagonals of the case, it's a cos inverse of 1 by 3. Just 1 second question, right? But how to do, what to do you want, right? I will tell you. Just it's a cos inverse of 1 by 3. Okay, I will try to write the proof here. Okay, first take one cube, then okay, yeah, it's a x-axis, it's a z-axis, it's a y-axis. Clear? Now let us take this face name is a. What is this point? It's a O. It's x-axis, right? So O, point in where? X-axis. Then this point, it is looks like 0. What is a here? See, I am taking the variable, the length of the edge cube here. I am taking a for every side. Okay. Then this name, it's a b. Now it is where it is there? It is in xy plane. It means a 0. Now let us take this point C. Then C point, it is looks like, tell me anyone, it is y axis 0 a 0. Clear? Y axis plus. Next D, then it is yz, right? Oh, it is a yz plane, right? Yz plane, how it is looks like 0 a. Then it is z axis, it is 0 0 a. And what about a b c? This one z I took, right? Oh, I wrote here. Okay, so give me a moment, I will give this one another name, a b c d. This name is, let us take E here, F. This one name is G. Now write down that what this is here. It is in where? This point, it is xz, right? It means 0. Oh, it is not, it's z plane, right? 0 0 here. Where it will point? This one xz means a 0 a, and this point it is in all a. Now what are the diagonals of here? Easy is one of the diagonal, sorry, not easy, right? Okay, let me move it. It's origin 0 0 0, right? So now tell me what are the diagonals of the cube here? OG is one of the diagonal. Next one, EZ is one of the diagonal, right? EZ, correct? Okay, here OG one diagonal, EZ or EB? If it is one diagonal, then oh sorry, it is EB, right? Okay, so what are the diagonals here? I will write EZ. Okay, first OG, right? What are the diagonals names here? OG, EB, and what are the other another diagonals here, students? If you see like this, it is one of the diagonal, it is one of the diagonal, right? So take whatever you want, it's not a matter. Okay, they're talking about diagonals. There are two diagonals with angle how much. Okay, I'm taking these two diagonals and find out these drs. Okay, then write the cos theta form, that's all. Then how to write the one, you know, right? So it is a will come, this one. Okay, first drs find out, then tell me. First drs of OG, drs of OG, simply a, right? It's a origin only, right? We are deleting. Drs of EB, what is the drs of EB? A minus 0, a minus 0, a minus a will come. Now drs are ready, then write the cos theta formula. Say angle equal to cos theta equal to, so a1 a2, so this all are a1 a2, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. Write down a1 a2, a into a square plus a square minus a square by root 3a square root 3a square. This one will be cancelled, root 3 will be cancelled, then what will be add? 3a square will get, then upside 3a square by this one will be cancelled, cos theta. From this one, cos theta equal to how much? 1 by 3, theta equal to cos inverse of 1 by 3 is the answer. This is the angle between two diagonals of the cube. So option number 1, clear? Next one, okay, their DCs of a line. Okay, what is the DCs and DRs line? DCs of a line general formula, if element are the DCs of the line, then general formula is L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. They are saying here all these DCs LMN are equal, then take any, they're saying K, right? Then if I am take L equal to K square plus K square plus K square equal to 1, how many times? 3K square equal to 1. For this one, K square equal to 1 by 3, K equal to plus minus 1 by root 3, right? Then what is the possible values of here? K equal to 1 by root 3 or minus 1 by root 3. So what is the correct option here? Option number 4. Next, the equation of xy equal to 0 in the 3-dimensional space represents how it looks like. Okay, first take 3-dimensional geometry. Okay, it's x, it's a y, it's a z axis, right? And also here observe students, here each and every plane is perpendicular to each other, right or not? Now observe point where it is there, xy plane, right? See here xy equal to 0, it means either x equal to 0 or y equal to 0, right? Now in 3D space, observe here, in 3D space, it says 3D is a space, 2D is a plane, you know very well, right? Here suppose if x equal to 0, then if x equal to 0, you tell me if x equal to 0, then where point should be? In yz plane, right? Suppose next if y equal to 0, then point should be xz plane, right? So what is your observation? This one is perpendicular to each other, then if it is point here, then it is perpendicular to each other. So what is your observation? It's making right angle, I mean 90 angle, right angle, right? If x equal to 0, then what will happen? Then point where it should be yz plane. If it is y equal to 0, point should be where it is then xz plane. Then what it is making here? Both yz plane and Kcet planes both are perpendicular to each other, right? So each perpendicular means right angle. So a pair of planes, there are pair and it's a right angle making. Next, see the LPP question. There's given this one is LPP, right? So this the given few corner points. This saying corner points of this region, then what is the minimum value of this one? Just observe. If you want to find minimum value of this one, you give y value is very less. That's all. Where y value is very less, here it is there. And okay, next, is there any other things? Here also, okay, we will check. Here no need to substitute. Suppose 6 is okay, just substitute. If I am substitute 0 comma 2, then what is your answer? 6 2 ja 12 I get, then 4 3 ja 12 I will get, 6 4 ja 24 here, then we will get more, right? So 6 4 ja 24, 4 8 ja 32, 32 plus 24 it means 36, it means 46 or 56, 56 I think. 0 comma 5 it means 30 we will get last point. Now tell me where we are getting many points, only these 2 points, right? Observe this one is, if I am take draw the graph, this one is 3 comma 0 and this one 0 comma 2. They're saying these 2 points are giving the mini points, right? Observe here how many points are there in middle. It will take feasible region. There are infinite number of points, right? Here we are getting here minimum value corner points 2, but they are saying occurs. How many points occurs? Here also we are getting minimum, here also we are getting minimum, here also we are. See, if you understood like only 2 points, your option will be option 4. But according to LPP theory, if any line segment giving 2 corner points, either maxima or minima, then they will be exist infinitely many number of points in the line segment. So which one is correct option? Option 3. So don't pick any wrong option. If you pick option 4, then it is a wrong answer. Keep in mind, students, it's a very important question. Next, one more LPP question. It is also similar question, right? Corner points of this one is equal to objective function, then minimum value of z is occurs at. Up now only we right? This question is same, right? This how many points will be there in here? Only 0 2, no. Only 3 comma 0, no. Minimum value we are getting 2 points in line segment, any number. So this point will give minimum, this point, this one. We are getting this one also, but minimum this one also will give minimum, right? So the midpoint line segment, we can say it's only midpoint give minimum. No, this point also will give, right? Any point on the line segment given joining points, any point, yes. See here, this 2.0 to it is 3 comma 0, right? See, maybe this point, at any point we will give. So which option is correct? Option 4 is the correct option. Next, see, this is nothing but a previous problem question, right? Now a die is now property question. Okay, a die is thrown 10 times. Okay, first, if you thrown die one time, what is sample space? I will write 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this one, they're talking about odd number, right? Okay, but odd number, how many? What is the probability of odd number here? Probability of odd equal to favorable. How many are there? Tell me here. Favorable here 1 3 6. Total number of outcomes 6. What is the probability? Favorable by total. Then 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. It means if you thrown one time die, what is the probability of forward here? 1 by 2. So what about the probability of even for one throw? You can 1 by 2, right? Again favorable 1 by 2, right? Any doubt here? So for one time thrown, how much I will get the probability for odd number? 10 times. See here, there are 2 types of solutions here. One is logical, one is method. Okay, first logical we'll think. See now I am going to write probability of only odd number. Oh sorry, only they're asking odd, right? If I am delete even number probability, then I will get odd only, right? Probability of only even number probability I'm finding. See, for one thrown 1 by 2 I am getting, right? How many times I am they thrown? 10 times. It means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. How many times they thrown? 10 times. It means 1 by how many times they thrown? It is 10 times. 1 by 2 power power, it will come 10, right? So 1 by 2 power 10, what is 2 power 10? It will come 1 by 2, 1024. If you want to find probability of odd number at least once, it means 1 minus that one, delete even number, 1 by 2024, it is nothing but a 2024 minus 1, it means 201, sorry, it is not 20, right? Sorry students, it is 10, right? 1024, then how much we will get here? 1024 minus, and it means 102423 by 24 we will get. It is logical. 10234 by, it is option C, right? Now we will see. Now already we got. For, let us take this value is P. For odd times this value I am taking P. Now for this one you take, let us take, it is Q. Now required probability equal to, what they're asking, probability of x at least one. It is not at least once, one or more times they're asking. So it means nothing but a 1 minus, delete remaining x equal to 0, then we will get remaining all are odd, right? Then what is the 1 minus p of x equal to 0 formula? nc naught. Okay, first I will write that formula here. I will write that formula, probability of x equal to a, what is that formula? nc, or p power n minus r q power r, right? Okay, then if I am substitute here, what is the n value? 10 times 10 cr, oh, it is r value, it's 0, right? X equal to a, it is r, sorry students, it's a, not a, it's r. Then 10 c naught p power n minus 1, p is how much? 1 by 2 power n, 10 minus 0 into 1 by cube, also 1 by 2 power 0. Then how much I will get answer? 1 minus 10 c, 1 out answer, 1 by 2 power 10, 1 by 2024. If I cross multiply, then, oh, it is not 20, right? 10, so 10, right? 1024, then, oh, say 1024 minus 1 means 10235, why 1024 only we will get again. Clear? So what is the probability of this one? 1023 by 1024 is the correct answer. Now last two questions, see this one. If A and B are two independent events, then probability, it's a very basic condition. So if one event is not depending in another event, then what is the probability? Use individually their multiplication of P of A into P of A. It's a basic formula. If any two events are independent, P of A intersection equal to P of A into P of B. So which one is the correct answer? Option 3. Next. Now this question is, it will come very interesting. Now a bag contains, here how many bags it contains? Okay, first take, okay, 2 bags. Okay, oh, give me a moment. Yeah. Okay, now 2 bags contains 5 white and 3 black. Okay, second bag, it is bag A. Now bag B contains 4 white and 7 black balls. Okay, one of the bags is selected, chosen random, and ball is drawn from it. Okay, they draw one ball. Which one? That one, probability of that. What is the probability of ball is white? They are saying white. Clear? It means law of total probability. They are asking this one. If they are asking this side, it is a Bayes theorem. Already we discussed probability. That all videos playlist in probability you can use it to get students. Now they drawn, they chosen randomly one of the ball. That ball they are saying white. They are asking white. So let us take it is A. So what is the probability of A here? I mean probability of A 1 by 2. Oh, already A is there. Let us take, this name is like C. Okay, yeah. What is the probability of bag here? P of B equal to half. How many bags total? 2. Favorable only. What about this one? They gave, they didn't give, right? Now I'm going to find C when A. C means white. How many white is in A? 5 by total number of 8. 5 by 8. Coming here, P of It is C, right? Sorry. Probability of C. Total number of this one, how many are there? White for which bag? B. 5 white is 4 by 7 plus 3, 11 is the second one. Now we want to find probability of C, right? What is the probability of C formula? Probability of, so what is this one? P of A into P of C by A plus P of B into probability of C by B. Substitute this value is half into C by A answer 5 by 8 plus probability of B 1 by 2, probability of C by 4 by 11. What is simple calculations here? So here 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, then 5 by 16 plus 2 by 11. So how much it will come LCM here? 16 11 ja here 176, right? Then numerator 55 plus 32, 55 plus 32, then that 137, it is 87, right? 87 by 50. It will be cancelled? No, check. 87, yes, it is option number 1 is the correct answer. So this is the way, students, you can use it to solve whatever the question. See, for explanation part, I am taking this much of time for solving this one, but whenever you are a student, I mean, if you know all the concepts very well, you can use it to solve. Clear? See, if you want to solve an examination, this, see, little bit easy calculation, this one diagram no need, this one diagram you can easy to see, this one how much you can write this step directly, right? How much time it will take. See, clear? So this is the way, students, we discuss completely this mock test 3. This is a full syllabus paper. I hope you are all full enjoyed. Whenever you are seeing this class, you will easy to get interest. And also, if you have any doubt in particular this class, you just drop a comment in comment section. I will reply for that, whatever the query. Clear? Until that time, keep learning. Best of luck, students. Next video you will get mock test for solutions.